Me not go tell him say him can't make me cut my video. Before so me not show that what they want, but me not cut my video. You know nobody. Everybody from Canada that is watching, big up to all America, massive big up to everybody on the ground. You see me I say crazy work I go on in Jamaica and things. Remember say all life is illegal.
This is my world, I have nothing else to do.
How long you out here yourself?
Me? 25 going and going.
25 and a go on.
Get deep, come back, get deep, come back.
I thought we get deep 2 times.
Then I start talking because I'm not going to foreign country, could have no boss. I never have a boss in Jamaica, so I'm going to go foreign got boss. So I'm going to get deep again.
Where's that?
Jamaica Walk By.
Yeah. Same way it say, like I walk and buy. Not like I say goodbye, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, massive big up and respect. You don't know me there with me general. Yo, Noel, how dog a ton.
What's going in?
That is it. But I early that morning, right at that time, same back like it. You understand? So, the initiative of you probably see the title, clean up the downtown Kingston and Beckford Street. Massive, if you can look way down that side there, place clean up already. Alright, but if you ever see Beckford Street, wait and watch how Beckford Street
look. I don't see it yet.
Are you not see it yet?
I don't see it yet.
So you see the Beckford Street where everybody normally know it as. I probably drop a little piece of clip right so everybody normally see it. When you see me walk around, that's a different thing and for the rest of the day. So massive if you now watch right and I don't know, say yo Noel, please subscribe to Yo Noel channel. We are going out here today. Whole day if you see what I go on and see how the cleanup process go. And bring it to right on the home pound fingertips and on the TV screen. Yeah. Clean and pretty, see? That is it. So we just go walk through. It's not a narrative video, so walk and chat, look what I go on and show you just like how we are fat in the eye and we are fat in the eye. You see what I say?
Right.
That is it?
That is it.
Alright man, it's massive. Stay tuned. Mad, let's do this. And that's what I tell you, we carry too. Big up and respect, you know, massive. Art, love and respect. Downtown Kingston.
So, just as see at the thumbnail.
Oh my word.
At the first miracle, like, you have to look like hurricane pass through.
No, it doesn't look like a hurricane pass through. Judge of God. Crazy, crazy. Yo. Oh my word, massive. So massive as you can see. Downtown Kingston. Not like you normally see it before. I swear to you. You see it? So it is clean up there downtown Kingston massive. And we are going to document it the right way, Beckford Street. You understand? Yeah.
Years now since I went to clear so
I'm going to tell you. Oh my word. So massive we are going to walk through. And thing. Yeah, you can press chat and thing. Oh my word. Massive look on the place. Big up and respect. Come in. I'm a G this man. Oh this SYM boss. So you look like you just arise. Everything good man.
Watch out, I tell the people them from now. When they say me the one, by time next year I buy one more, you understand?
Yeah.
I want the boss on here. One day man look how Beckford Street look. So Beckford Street look. People them calling the people them money. You understand? And now want them sell for the sidewalk. Them dirty metro boy, you understand? Yeah man, that's why I tell you, they say show wide in the power and all them things I would have. Believe you me.
Alright, man. Yo, me teacher outside, you know. Big up and respect my brother. Our YouTubers, Yo Noel and Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, man. No. But we are the voice side people, you know?
Of course we make
Yeah, you want to talk to me, can talk to me.
You send me a talk and wrong me a read.
Jesus.
Me never know somebody could have been born until now, me never sleep.
Oh my word.
Oh, me come sleep, me not sleep. Sit here, I saw
my brethren tell me say yesterday.
I go round in a circle. Right round and round. right round the way them wicked. And alone nobody can come and them say them a come 4 o'clock.
They say them a come from 4 or 5 o'clock, man.
Thank you.
The street now.
And no, we can't see nobody.
Film normal.
That me I say.
Maybe that cannot say one
Yeah, cause now you have the people. Just tell them to come over here, so then. You in here already? Alright, no problem. Yeah.
They're ready for time.
Oh my word. We are there all day, man, to capture what
man, I years we in this, you know. And this is angling we get, and we not take up nothing like this, you know. We just a hold on the whole ragged cross, we not like a Jesus thing, you know.
We know the vibe,
Here what, we not like the whole ragged cross. We
Yeah.
not take up nothing like this, we just a hold on the whole ragged cross. In Jesus' name,
Yeah.
I forget the
Yeah, but powerful.
deliverance.
Powerful. That is it, man.
Just take care of the world. We make and sell the people them out here to me.
Oh, see.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, I work. Enough work, and I get no work.
but I know you're gonna have enough work. Oh,
Ja, ja.
Man.
Alright, now I'm going to see if we can take like one little walk, go through,
Yeah.
and then we can talk to some of the people, them, see what go on.
Beckford Street.
Our standard.
Time walk through Beckford Street.
No, we are own thing. Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, we are Jamaica Walk By, you know what I'm saying? So we stay.
Watch around, catch her, watch her around.
Big up man and respect man.
See that?
Yeah.
You understand what that's up?
Yeah, but we send it up.
Send it up. We have to pull it up too.
Yeah, pull it up and send it up in the lane.
Peace.
Yeah.
So where you have to go, you can build back or just lift
Buy
it.
screw and
fix it back up.
nail and set it up back. If
Ja,
them
ja.
allow me.
So which part you normally sell?
Right across the road, they still. I might close everything up over this.
Or you're closing over there?
Them charge $6 grand a month and $1,000 every week. Yeah.
Ja, no. For sell long.
Yes, to sell.
So you think it's a excuse for say them want to clean up it and wash it off just to get rid of it?
No, I'm not going to say that because
Yeah.
really and truly, if you look how the place look, it really look bad. Because last night when I looked on it, Jaja,
Yeah, say stay bad.
yeah, it was without we pull down, it could have washed down.
Couldn't wash them.
Yeah.
Alright
That's
then.
true, me I tell you. Because it was wash. It really want to clean.
Yeah man.
It need a deep clean, so
Alright.
hopefully them just let we position back.
Oh, only you used to
Yes.
say. And somebody, I hope nobody else is going to say, oh, they have a wall of yam, so
Right, right.
somebody get less
That's
space.
my biggest concern. If somebody get what them see.
Let's see.
No man, everybody will. If we get to position, everybody will be positioned.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we'll say them I go wash it down, take up everything,
Yeah.
line it back, all of them something like that,
Yeah.
and then
Because they said they have to do it early because they have today's this 3rd of May.
yeah, to that.
So they have something for children around by Church Street in front of the KSAC. Yes, so they're trying to get it over with by 10:30, so to go around there.
Alright then. That me I say.
So that we want to see.
We are going to walk through and show people and then we try to talk to as much people and hear on the concern. But nobody go home. Me know you not go home again, you know.
We sleep, man.
Judge, so my brethren them a tell me.
Sleep, man. We not going nowhere.
Because them a send me video all night. Me I go down at them too, you know. So massive. Oh my word. So I guess they really like a hurricane.
Yeah.
Cheese and peas. So massive, look here. Please, if you are watching now and not subscribe to Jamaica Walk By, please subscribe to Jamaica Walk By right now.
Most of them things that were jump underneath the stall, you know.
Underneath the stall them.
Get for them.
True. Oh my word.
Clear. I said the other street, them alright. Yeah, that's that one.
I does this because they couldn't really do it clean up what them said them want though. Based on how the people them things used to do.
Okay.
Yeah. I know enough things they can say to people figure out more.
Microwave there,
It's got like a hurricane for through the world.
Tell them, man. All that microwave.
Slippers, whole heap of goods people are gonna find back right there, you know, where there is a rock stone. Yeah. So massive, on know this a place I look on a Saturday. So if you wanna see it like this on a Sunday, please like the video. Like the video right now. Like the video right now. Please and thanks.
Bashko can
We actually can see Bashko. Can see Bashko.
Yeah.
Me remember say this in there so. I see it here. Hello?
Well, not Beckford Street.
Alright then, let me try. Yeah. Peace, no, yeah.
Yeah, I could have walked through and the whole street clear. And then I don't have to drive through. And then now my pack up them stand.
Morning.
Blessed, good morning. Boy, me I tell you,
Yeah, man, we'll see.
everybody have their work cut out for them, man. Art of love, manners and respect. What the man name?
Francis.
Mr. Francis.
City Inspector from KSAMC.
City Inspector from KSAMC. It's a vlogger, Jamaica Walk By, and this is Yo Noel. You know, we just there document what go on in a way and hear what people are saying. Just like you said, we hear what your take on this, hear what all the persons that we sell out here have to say. But I have to
The
say,
thing about it is, their take from Friday changed today.
yeah,
Them realize say
stay bad.
work here, they need to go on today.
Yeah,
I feel them betterment.
yeah.
So that's the good thing.
Real. And I heard somebody just said the same exact thing a while ago.
There you go.
So it is beautiful to say.
And we have NWC come.
I want to fix that one here. It is beautiful to say that then see.
Alright, right.
So we are just showing the persons them how it look.
Kind of hazardous too.
Yeah, man. We'll work with them and clear up.
There's the police coming down. Okay, come that side.
Long time can I drive through your side?
Yeah. So we are going there if we just go and catch the before and after so them see the progress. That is it. Oh my word. Peace officers them forward. That's a code.
Yeah.
Remember what you say? Hakim, where's the shop? Oh my word.
I know you can't stand on the come back.
Eh?
I know you can't stand on the come back. So me tell you something, me do an eyebrow before she come in.
No, she don't reach back. Me blow sask.
You want to do
Me say, no.
sit down in a chair.
Me say, no. Cheese and peace. No, well, watch your back. Listen to me. First thing, tell me about the breakfast. I come in eat from morning, you know, Godfather.
Baddest thing.
My brother Hakim. You was it.
They got the military, my boss.
Why not?
there,
That
yeah,
is
my
it, man.
father.
No,
Yeah.
no, blow, Aki and salt.
Yeah. Right now, we're there. I consume the shower.
Don't play.
Flour with what? Meal and oats tonight. Sweet potato, banana, our national dish.
Aki and salt.
Yeah.
Fish.
And watch the style. Watch the style.
Big up in a Yo Noel.
Yeah. Me, Joseph, Hakim, and the big bad swag around here.
Yeah.
One father bush. Triumph over this, so try over all things.
That's a
Jamaica
cool.
Walk By, and we represent for the youth in the town. Duh?
Yeah.
Oh. He help the teacher. Respect.
Food always.
That me I say down at town.
We find food. Yeah, man.
Massive.
Food, man. The birthday food. How about the drive? We the right at Orange Street. Alright, now I couldn't find another vendor. So I eat that time.
Yo.
No, nothing. And then all them there. We just watch that.
Ja. Me not tell no lie. This Joseph, me not go around here. This is one of the weirdest sights we see, my friend. Me not tell you no lie, bad bro.
Now wash down the place.
Yo.
They sanitize.
The place.
Yeah, we are sanitize the place.
Yeah.
So they must sanitize
Yeah.
the place. Fix up back.
Alright, so let me ask you now. Ono no say like how you look you now, ono really say you want to clean up. Tell me.
That's what we are doing.
Yeah, and we work with
Want to know, sir, we are the youth them on the road, we always do this and make sure everything right. We work with the government, nobody not the youth not brute force power, and we intelligent with their number of years. We work with what the government said. So them say them are regularize and clean at the place, sanitize the place. We up feet, so we out of bed early.
Yeah.
See? And normal working there. And we out early, I help the government sanitize the place, clean down what we clean down and do the right thing. And we are work with the government and government are work with we.
Love that.
One
Love
car.
that.
Yeah.
Joseph, you know we are there for you all day now.
Yeah,
we are going to see some of the sanitation man then start the clean up work. I say me can catch some of that too.
Take the garbage up.
Yeah, right up there me want to go.
Cleaning coming down, sanitize downtown. Yeah. Clean, fresh.
Joseph, I want to eat the food, so you save some for me? And my own food me want it up. Today Sunday usually the run gone on the road got do some other thing. If you don't get today, yeah, that's great. Akeem, how you been?
Well, they are going to watch you going, you know.
How you been?
Love to the mayor.
Massive of my brother them. The life. Remember me tell you.
Simple walk by.
How you mean, man?
When me advertise something there.
That's how we have to do it, bro.
Yeah.
See Joseph there. Joseph know what people fall down foot and say, boy, I walk by, you know. Yeah, man. Jaja no. Joseph, me so forward. Yeah. So massive.
Yeah,
you see where you are. Boy. No, well, we not telling a lie, you know.
Big up put up on the live shot right now. We're not get it live and direct from Jamaica Walk By only.
That is
so
it.
we have to like the video. If you like, look on the shot and give a like it get. Drop a like. I even know I didn't drop a one comment. Yeah.
Yeah, man, that is it. So massive. Me actually I record the full video in a 4K, so later on you can get to watch the full thing, same speed. You see me I say? Yes, sir. Oh my word, I'm still in shock because when I know when I used to seeing the place like this. You know what I mean? Yeah. Morning, my boss. Morning, Godfather. Morning. Jamaica Walk By, you know. Try to capture the process. Greetings, man, you good? Blessings and honor, man. You understand? So big up to all the sanitation workers, them will get the thing active in the morning, yeah. Boy, may I tell you, so they have them work cut out for them, you know, bro.
Oh, this is a normal thing for them, not to clean.
This, to me, none of this is normal, no time. And if they do it for 10 years, every day different.
Yeah.
I swear,
normal.
Can't normal, my friend. Yeah. So massive. Wait, but this is just one part, you know, where they might take up the garbage. Yeah. They must majority I stall them where you sit on them part and they might go take up, you know. And move, you know. So most of them here where you see, massive, all of them here go take up and move so they can properly clean. So let me big up everybody in the live right now. You understand? Art, I love, blessings and respect. Make sure say y'all like the live and thing. Oh my word, if you're new to the channel, please may I ask you to subscribe. Subscribe. If you're new to the channel. Big up to my brother them in I chat Orient Freestyle. I don't know. Blessings and respect. New event. Today is a Sunday. Look what downtown look like. So now we can walk down, go straight down from Beckford Street and then you see me? We can go around that side. Yes, that's good. So massive, you don't know, I am out here. Oh my word. Downtown. If you life clean and pretty and smooth, say clean and pretty and smooth. Driver, outside. Big up our respect, man. Everything good? Yeah, man. Everything. That's a code, man. We're there. Yeah, man. So massive, everything are clean up downtown today. Alright, so for the voting was excellent. Voting closed. It's just a waiting game here now. Yeah. Because we are going on the Beckford Street and to the end and make them see what go on. Yeah, forward. Yeah. Yeah, man. So no fun, no just see all them buildings here. See them here there, so. You see me? Yeah, and I can get to see how the place really look. So massive, come in, make we get the stream to 1,000 people. Remember me I record the full video too for post later on so I can see it in 4K style clean. Yeah, I actually have it. I didn't want to do first, but bro, me never realize. Yeah. So enough of people them stay back overnight and rake up them garbage, move them stall, all of them things there. Oh my word.
They move swiftly still. They know
No, they stay here all night last night. Enough people stay here all night and pack up and sit and bro. See, I want lady down as a sweep.
Yeah, I wonder look for some of the people that gonna live at Kingston. Like man, they were Spanish.
Most of them stay back. See there? Debris everywhere.
Yeah.
I know them are gonna find some I think them where them in last all long.
Yeah.
You see me?
No idea, like. Alright.
So
that big dumb truck now for bring one or someone.
Ramon, big up yourself. Heart of love and respect. You don't know Ryan Skull. You see me? Carl Tama. Or Cole Tama. Big up and respect.
Now you can see it's bright and clear. But not even know someone that they write yourself.
Eh?
That one you never really make sense yourself.
Which one?
See that?
I want to tell you say work, you know.
When they start them up, you can't
Oh, you can't see. No, oh, me get what you say.
That's the rooftop.
No. And it a work, you know. Hold on. Yeah. You see how much of them? Whole heap of them, you know. Jamaica Eye. It's stoplight. Let me have it. Catch it. Good morning, mommy. Good morning. Boy, see I go above and beyond, boy. Y'all a sweep.
Yes.
Oh my word. How long you there? From morning or you there from last night? From morning, about 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock?
Yeah.
No, not really.
Not so early.
Yeah.
Alright, that is it.
Yeah, it may move a few.
Yeah, move.
So how you gonna move this now? Somebody can help you?
This?
Then they want it clear completely.
No, that's right. I said them are wash away and just paint.
I'm paying.
But no, but I'm going to do the
Oh my word, too late. Good morning.
Okay, so I'm gonna start shed like this now for move them because they can't work on it.
Why? Me I wonder. So we there from the before, we're gonna see how the after stay.
Yeah.
As well. Oh my word, massive.
Yeah, so clean still.
Yeah, so right so now you have high grade store. You don't know the right yeah, so all of the finest jewelry them you want down at town. Yeah. You can get a high grade. Same speed. So high grade. I'm on high grade spot. Yeah. And thing. Blessed. Morning, see me, manners, you know. Yeah, me see say I hide so me hold it straight. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm so surprised how much people. So we have almost 500 people here watching, which is great.
The early birds
them out. Blessed Sunday to everybody on the live. Heart of love and respect. You see a place like this. Yeah.
But it even makes sense because the water needs to flow.
No, them are probably going to go get proper drainage for this.
Put a cup, make a car for it though.
Yeah, so that you can get for do it the right way.
Yeah.
Understand? Because this stay like this for a while. Mad. Up. This stay like this for a while.
So that's a Beckford Street finished?
Yeah, Beckford Street done at the time. No way. Yeah. Okay, man. Shut there.
Yes, that's a Beckford Street.
Yeah, Beckford Street stop right there, so.
Alright, people, so.
Judge, no. Orient freestyle, are good. You're good, my brother. I hope everything 100, you know. You understand? Blessings from all massive them in a place, you see me? Oh my word. You see me?
Big up Orient there.
Orient house at 2 day, man.
Orient freestyle. If you're still up on the live, big up.
There, man.
What's going in? Yeah, deal with. Or the poor with that treat here.
I murder them over there.
Yeah.
So you're massive. Right. We all can go around back on sitting there too. Yeah. So we are showing a little tour of town, seeing where all place look right now before the world clean up. So please massive, if you're new here and you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And also please I'm asking you to subscribe if you're new to Jamaica Walk By. Subscribe to the channel now. And I know it's in this at the arcade as well. This is just one of the arcade. I have Zella Pang down here, so when it clear. One time ever fall down up on one Sunday, you know, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, me never did plan for video and nothing. Me just pass through and just capture some little thing and it was crazy to me.
Yeah.
You see me? See Zella Pang over here, so.
Oh yeah, the great Zella Pang.
Yeah, big up to me G.
So good.
Yeah. Look like a house.
Yeah, I'm saying one of us play for now on Sunday and then play up.
No man, I want to tell you say always clear, you know, bro. Alright, you so when time me rubbish truck man then come them side that, bro.
Yeah.
And take up the rubbish them and say something crazy if you see. You're surprised you know say in a 2 day or 3 day, the whole place
Clean.
no stay back bad again.
Oh. To me, and a 2 day and 1 day, like when them done pull all them plastic bag, put all them fruits and all them something and drop it on the ground. Gone back to square one.
Gone back to square one.
Every day the truck have to pass through.
Why me I tell you, rough. So massive, we downtown Kingston. Today is clean up there, downtown Kingston. Over this parking lot me normally park. This is a Pigeon Street parking lot. It's a safe parking lot.
A Pigeon Street or Pigeon Street?
I think a Pigeon Street it pronounced.
A Pigeon Street.
Eh?
A Pigeon Street, man.
I see that. You know well pronounce it there.
Yeah.
So my parking lot this a park. Your vehicle safe no matter what time you want left it there. You're good.
Yeah, man.
So massive, remember me still a record the video so you can get to watch it nice and pretty on the TV too as well. So please like this live. And also if you don't want to donate you can donate. Remember good no man. You understand? We're there so I like massive them gifted them over TikTok. Normally I run the food for TikTok. No. For no reason. See we out here do some serious work there. So please you have a good day for the one look pretty up the live but you can do it. Yeah, I'll zinc and everything.
I fear them are clean when I say to my favor.
I believe you, you know?
Yeah.
Mighty.
Yeah.
Bro, me not tell a lie. This I go take one whole heap of work. But
I think like them say want to finish some you want to say.
me want this, but me don't know either, you know.
Right now, let me check what time now. I'm gonna check what time real quick.
Me don't know that I go on either, my brother.
Right now it's 7:29. I want to finish at 10 a.m. So you can
And then I really start yet.
then you can put on a show at a certain time of the day.
Jaja. So when I see what you now watch, I'm looking at the live and so on and say.
I got 3 mongrel dogs. I go and watch the end.
Somebody asks if any. No, we'll answer that question now.
Yeah.
Does anybody live downtown?
People who enter your life cycle is downtown.
It's downtown. People will live what they sell. See, alright, look on in China. I think if it's not a China, it's a black man business too as well.
Yeah.
And see them all step on top of it.
Right.
So most of them building here we see all the palm tree them and thing on them all stop there. You can see somebody veranda that. Yeah man.
I make them know too.
Yeah.
People have an entire living from downtown. Them buy a house and car and land, support them family, travel and enjoy the world for money where they make from downtown.
Downtown.
No, not because it look like this.
Yeah, some of them sell clothes and still own a taxi on the road and all of them
that
things.
means that now make no money.
True. Oh my word.
Can't drink.
And from them a drink it, that means it fresh.
No man, this is fresh.
No man, from them a drink it fresh. Cause any it not fresh. And we out a flow, it look like a one pipe it a come from. It a run too hard. So from it a run like this, you can tell say it fresh.
Okay.
Like somewhere bus or something like that. Cause even a fresh they not drink it man.
Yo, look at the ambience. Downtown is quiet. People.
No sound.
You don't realize how quiet the place is. No music, no taxi on, no blow. Nobody attack, nobody no shout. We just there like say a COVID a go on and
Weird.
And nobody know for their road. See that?
Weird. What's that bro?
Yeah.
Weird.
Backside.
Me and you not used to this.
Yeah. This is a one thing.
Bro, when I fall downtown in a nice straight in a dark. King talk. Yo, $50 panty, $50 leg man lady, $50 street. Yo, Aki over here so, Aki over here so. Aki over here so.
We have anchor butter, original anchor butter over here.
Yeah, original anchor butter.
We have starfish.
Cheese and peas. Yo, $50 jeans. No, $1,500 jeans. $1,500 jeans. $1,000 shirt. $1,000 shirt. Every corner.
Get 3 free.
Buy one, get 3 free.
Buy one, get 3 free. You look the one, 5,000 or 6,000.
I miss it up low. Yeah. So yeah, but say please, so they like the life and thing. I be telling her again, they want to do there, they can do not see gifting there, the life, they pretty up the life, man. Good God.
All this I get clean up.
Yeah.
Watch what they are, sir. All this I get clean up by the end of the day.
See, most of them put some of them things there too, down in the lane.
And this is the really want to see where them store it.
Yeah, so them put some of the things them down in the lane.
Yeah.
Put them pancart and thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Around us now you have. See there?
I'm storing them things right there, so. And then we have no much really put it, but then you can put it in the
Welcome to Big Ross Restaurant. Then a restaurant, all of this.
Okay.
Mad.
Big up yourself. Yeah.
Manners, saying.
Manners.
Cool.
Wait, this is like a Chinese church. I want to go on yourself.
I've never seen this. Somebody can tell me what building is this? Where this come from now? Well, I've never seen this.
I see the right thing, so wait, this look like a church, but not look like a temple. Chinese have church, I'm a temple though.
Me don't know how they, you know, honestly, I'm not sure how Chinese culture go. But I have never seen this building. Anybody, the Bright Sparks, them, were they inside the chat? You never, you don't know this building and wait for?
That's what you say, I tell you about that church.
No, well, I have no idea. I probably walk past that 1 million times, bro. I don't remember seeing this building. I don't know what this building is for. Let me see, Mr. Get a far out chat one. Oh, yeah, do you translate the sign? Oh.
Yeah, man, that Chinese temple this, man. You want to tell me use it?
Well, it look clean and pretty, and over there look away like it's very occupied.
Okay.
Oh, massive.
I not finished me up, you know?
I don't know it.
Nah, like Chinese have a big part of it. You know them cemetery?
Yeah, I know it's cemetery.
Yeah.
Good morning to everybody here. Good morning, good day, good afternoon. Any time is it of the day that you're actually watching right now. Blessings and respect.
Which street to the pan, Fabian?
Which one I shoot this? I know. Me I'm confused over there now. Which one this? So, general fame, manners and respect. And Duke Street.
Yeah. But we ain't go from a different angle now. We cross that street there.
Yeah, sometimes I say you catch me too. Sir.
What's the man? Because people pack up.
Alright, you see most of them, yeah, some of them goods, them stay in there, but people stay here, you see me?
Right.
Them not going away, they live in there.
Yeah.
Right, true. Make sure say nobody can run in on it.
But them do it nice and neat.
Yeah, then cover them good, man, cause them have to secure for rain and everything. You see somebody that asks if downtown Kingston. Eh? Oh yeah. Funny place.
From the Kingston and St. Municipal Corporation. I wait to read the phone and say if I don't want to read it, when I can pause and skip through. Yeah.
You get it?
It's April 16. Wait, what is this?
Unless I night this.
What is this? No vending zone. Oh.
Maybe another one.
Different sort of this one.
Yeah.
A different sort of this one. Yeah. Alright, so I'm sure I'll go next.
We can go up on this. Or we can go across and then come back down, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, I want to see, I hope so I see I want to look for Parishman, you know.
That is it.
Yeah, I hope so I see a Parishman Fabian car right down my belly, I talk to me.
Yeah, man, we're hungry too, man. Hungry too, man. Yeah, that's right. So, yeah, massive. Big up and respect. You know, well, you see, you tell them, say, you know, for get up this morning and jump out, me have to start work like some of the people them on TikTok, you know.
Yeah.
Because we give them some serious content, you know.
Right.
We're going to start asking them to start donate to you. Because over TikTok, me see man them just sit down and just did it and not do nothing.
And if you not send no gift them cuss you.
If you not send no gift, then cussing out and running off for your life.
I always never understand that.
Me neither, bro. Me no know where you go. Like a them give people them things to put on.
Yeah.
So,
Garbage shop there, so.
massive. See we out here. So if you know want bust you, no bust it. So if you don't want to send gifts, you can always send gifts. Or even when a video drop, you can donate CM Speed. Zibi.
People, if you never seen my Riverton video where we go Riverton and showing where all of this garbage goes, you go from my channel and just scroll down. You don't have to scroll far.
Yeah.
There, from Riverton. When I see where all of the garbage from your house, from downtown everywhere, when I see where it go, all them plastic, all them pile up, all them everything.
Yeah man, upon the place man.
That lane, no, remember that lane.
Big Ross Enterprise Store.
Yes. Remember that lane for real. Big Ross stay in Queens still. Down here, so we're about down here, so. Go for Dasher as well.
That place. So don't know Big Ross Enterprise massive. You can get some of the best quality at best prices them down here so. But a Big Ross Enterprise, you understand?
Yeah.
I think what is Luke Lane? I think a Luke Lane this.
Luke Lane for real.
Yeah. I think a Luke Lane this.
Matthew Lane.
I don't 43 matches in. No, that a restaurant, the matches in I down there so man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, a Luke man. More than sure, so that's a Luke Lane man. You see me? So, hold on, I think you can help me. Yeah, I want to put this here. So.
Mount it here.
Yeah, mount this. Come here.
Oh, well done.
Yeah, push it in one side and then.
Show the angle.
Yeah, give it 1 second, the massive. Now we'll mount this. Ah. Yeah. Downtown Kingston.
That here?
The record.
Oh, Barry Street, Elephant. Famous Barry Street. How many know that?
Think of that one, a Barry Street, man.
No one see that? Look on that.
Oh, go so.
Yeah.
Go so. Yeah, go so.
Yeah.
Oh my word. Crazy. Crazy if you see downtown Kingston like this. So big up to everybody in our chat CM where we there go and do it, a showcase exactly what I go and just clean up there downtown Kingston. And the place look away.
Yeah, I remind them say stay tuned because them will walk back through the place and go speak and span.
Exactly.
According to the KSAMC.
Yeah, see how much garbage. See how much garbage.
All this is all gone, plus the street will clean.
And wash off.
Every dirt for push off of the road. Yeah, I see.
Yeah, bro.
The work of them tuning yet still. The garbage truck, let me see I take out the garbage. I guess they have to go for every part first and then fine tune it afterwards. You don't know the man never get them on dirt now. They're not still on watch.
Orange Street not so bad. Orange Street clean up already.
Yeah.
Orange Street look like our first street take on. See that?
No, Iron Street now want to clean up every day, you know. Whenever, you know.
Yeah, man. Orange Street fully clean.
Yeah. A permanent style about Orange Street. Oh, the man is over there still open.
Which one? Boy, I mean even remember, bro.
A long time I see it open. Still have the sign up old.
Yeah, Jaja.
Garbage truck, one small garbage truck that's straight.
The one that look like one privately owned.
Yeah. You don't fear they make it responsible for just one street. So, and truck cannot go across
One street.
Makes sense now. By the time that I pull up quick. Yeah,
Tell
so we are live and direct. If you are watching video,
So big up to everybody we are watching right now. You don't know. Like the video. If you like what go on, you get to see exactly what go on. You understand? Yeah. Big up all my Jamaica Walk By massive. That's how we do it. Every day. Nice, clean content. Showcase the progress in Jamaica and all of them things there. But then I street with Yo Noel.
Yo,
so,
what's going on in?
And not normal.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Iron Street, this is the first name I learned for long time.
I can like everybody. Everybody know this stuff.
And the reason I'm learning that street there because my Canton Spring me used to live.
Yeah.
And my boss to go Canton Spring, the upper Orange Street. So I have to know Orange Street. And think even the coastal bus them park right there upper Orange Street.
To why me have to look now, I mean most of the business them will open up like that, like a wholesale and they're open for Orange Street. When all the other one them are like vendors, a whole other stretcher, but on both side, a business them will stay open.
Orange Street have ATM now, you know.
ATM, right.
Shop, clothes shop, furniture store, braces over there, so
all sort of pierces too.
Everything there on Orange Street now.
Jaja no.
And just at the ATM, so you can't lose. You probably can't come buy a car on Orange Street.
Soon.
Yeah.
So, to everybody who just joined the video right now, listen to me. It is clean up there downtown Kingston. Them I go wash off the road them, remark all of them thing here, especially Beckford Street though. So we just come off of Beckford Street, we go back up the on Beckford Street. So we walk on Orange Street and then onto Beckford Street. As you can see, center camera is actually the guango tree. You understand? So that is like the designated area where everybody pretty much know and everybody meet. You don't know then call right there's a parade. You understand? Our big tree.
Big tree, right on Orange Street.
Yeah.
Right, that parade. So let me see them a parade, I never used to know what them are talking about.
Me neither. A big tree them have to say.
Yeah.
You see me?
The parade too, I say, directly from the big tree.
Directly from the big tree.
Yeah, that's directly from the big tree. Right,
Yeah.
you like have a big apple.
Yeah, I see you with some bro.
Big tree we have here, sir.
Oh my word.
Yeah. The tree they have for years, full of bad.
I chew bad.
And even when Big Tree gone, it was still named Big Tree.
Still named Big Tree now.
I remember halfway tree used to have a big tree at that time.
Yeah.
And you see the big tree in a half a tree. And the tree gone now. But the name still remains.
Still revealed.
Halfway Tree Road.
Chaja do.
Enough people don't know that now.
Me not, bro. Enough things me hear you say since the year me have to say. Don't say you're right. Yeah, but you look like you're a real town man.
That's two history video I book up on. I'm still going to watch history video, you know. 2 history video I book up on.
Yeah.
And learn it. And thing.
Oh my word. You look like they start on Beckford Street.
Oh yes, me hear the show for them.
Jeez and peace. Yeah man, big up to, that's what, Brian, 93. G, manners and respect man, art and love. First one. Thank you so much. Blessed morning to everybody here, you see me? Workers begin.
I'll go take up and turn on the truck. Open on the truck.
Blessed again. Bro, J. Oh my word. Manners, bro. Me there. Nice to see you there. See you there now, man. Good morning, Grandma.
Good morning, my
Good
son.
morning. So the work start. Oh yeah. Grandma, look like I'm here you for your walk. I'm here you for your walk, man.
Let them move off my sidewalk.
Lord of mercy. Yeah, so the massive. This is Beckford Street off Parade, Orange Street. You see me I say? I don't know. Work start. Oh, and mommy no ramp man, mommy still a sell. So if they come out and clean up and see something they want, yeah, then can still get it, you know?
Yeah, see, they're not easy. Once you're Jamaican, they make here a time and they see the person come still do what you say enough to do.
Enough to do. Find a way around it.
One person can always do it, you know? Yeah. Now watch everything clear. What's that?
It's still a sell, you mean? Mommy the easy man. Yeah. And she pack up her stall already and everything, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. But she says she's still at work. S-Y-M boss. Yeah. There's a buckle in the morning, you know?
Yeah, man.
Cheese and peas. Yo.
Yeah.
Alright, if I look for a film spot, alright, they say normally they know nothing there clean.
Him get back in spot, man, the right spot.
We say, I ain't sure of that.
Make sure we give them right.
Yeah,
Hey, nobody take no bigger spot now, you know.
No, I'm not taking a bigger spot.
We want to know is how they know which part they need it.
But that man are there for years, man.
Don't be confused.
I'm going to tell you. If you buy right, you won't answer our one. You understand? Buy right, you won't answer our one. You understand? Oh, Jack, by the big tent, everything, yes, about man, oh God, man. Not even God can move back.
Every kind of crooks, fresh crooks.
I tell you, listen. Any of them man try to fight with you, don't you, brother? Oh God, man, a full force, man. Understand? Any of them man try to fight all the people, them don't you, son? Remember saying, brother, honest to God, brother, remember saying, you see the people that come and come buy wholesale and they buy like the people them on the roadside and them thing there, you know. They really approve me, approve.
Yeah.
So them can't fight out downtown people, man, because we make the streets nice and them thing there, you know, brother. Yeah.
Is it bad?
I want to man, but the whole ass is supposed to be our spot with the 10 drop back. I want to man, the whole ass is supposed to be our
So
spot.
when they say you can put out back?
Alright, set day. They say when the whole place wash down and them do them painting where they want to paint,
Yeah.
the whole sound of our whole back again. You understand?
Man.
So them boys try to come to use a craft for it and fight me out. Oh God, man, a full force, man. I guess I know, bro, sing a life, brother. You see that big belly one over there, say him come some books and a video the man them away from morning. And a video all a roach. Man a video all roach a crap on all the ground this morning. But me I tell you, say, brother, only God alone say I know, brother. So I have to drop back the big tent them and the big stall them and everything back out.
Let me ask you, so how you feel about the cleanup in general?
The clean up, a good thing, you understand? Yeah, what them do with
I agree with that too.
I agree with that. But they say if they want to take back the road and them thing, I don't agree with none of them things, they understand?
Yeah.
I remember saying, brother, I did make we eat and drink water, saying, you understand?
Yeah,
so I respect all of the eagle of them, you understand?
Yeah, we were just talking about that to run the
man, you know. The whole of the eagle of them. And that me I tell you, the whole of them.
Say enough time, I see people, them have to know say people we sell out here, they have kids. When out there, so even go in a different business too.
True.
You understand? Because some man have all taxi on road, see them way while they out there sell. True, you understand? So don't just feel like these people you see I sell out here as some bush people and have no life or not have no sense.
Right.
Because we go even America where you have a Canal Street, all of them places where people put out just like this.
Yeah.
And I sell, bro. You see me? Anything you want to see and we like down at town. You see me? Flatbush, whole heap of them places, Fordham Road. You see me?
Yeah.
So, but just want to say, then clean up because the cleanup is very necessary. So from the cleanup do, when I can get back the street, me alright with that because I love come down here so for show that part of culture. Yeah.
True.
Yeah, this is the most unique street of downtown right now.
Yeah man, Beckford Street,
No, listen
man,
me.
from long as there is
You can't come downtown and you know go Beckford Street. If you don't go Beckford Street, you know come like you know go down at
from them come a Beckford Street and then from them come a Beckford Street and them look a big tree and then they see something must wrong.
Something rough around.
Something half wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, shout out to TikTok massive, let them know who you be.
Man, oh God, man, them know that already, man.
Say SYM, don't say the official thing, yeah?
Alright, I have to say, alright, put on the Denny William, call up and they don't know what time I start. I want SYM pan up, you understand? No boy go around that, you understand? One SYM pan up. One! You hear me I tell you, one SYM boss pan up.
Never two.
Never two, no man, when they pan the two, man. You
don't got two.
No.
But as I respect my teacher, we are there for a day still. I go and go through, catch your progress, so I go on. So I'm there with Yo Noel. So anybody who don't know Yo Noel is seeing me, make sure so you go.
Yo, what's going in? I'm there for the first time downtown a film. I come downtown all the time. I walk through with Fabian, but today me a film today. I don't know. You get it live and direct from Jamaica Walk By. There's nowhere else to see it. Yeah.
Different energy. I tell you, man.
Actually, chock full and gone, you know.
Chock full, different trip.
Even a small truck to come. Me take on.
It look like a whole heap of truck. You see what go on. You see what go on.
Keep it active. Them are help. Well, yeah, some of them are help and active and them quick.
Yeah, man, massive, trust me, if you want to donate, you can donate, you accept all donations, here the speed, you understand, because we're out here, you understand? Yeah. Good morning, mommy. How you feel this morning?
Feel good enough. Feel good because I'm pissed up on myself, so I feel good and when I come.
You ready for put out back one time, then done clean up and everything?
Yes, fix back my stall and go and sell.
Yeah, and I guess you are going to fix back it style even better.
No, I
Brand new. What? City engineer.
What you normally sell?
You normally sell?
Yeah. No, as in.
Yeah, what do you normally sell? What goods?
Underpants and marina t-shirt.
Alright.
Oh, yeah.
White pants.
And I can use make your life and thing, yeah? How much years now since you're out here?
40 years.
Yeah, about that because you're 72 now.
Yeah, what? Noel, me wouldn't guess that. A serious 72 that. Oh my word, I love and respect mommy. We're there. We get a process. Yeah,
Give me a t-shirt,
yeah. Oh my word. Blessed good morning. Yeah, man. Morning, my friend. Mr. say you take your boom to go and work too, man.
I'm have to work at my work here right now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, this is my world. I have nothing else to do.
How long you out here, sir?
Me? 25 going and going.
25 and a go on.
Get deep, come back. Get deep, come back.
Oh yeah, I thought we get deep 2 times.
Then I said, because I'm not going to foreign country, could have no boss. I never have a boss in Jamaica, so I go foreign got boss. So I go get deep again. Right.
Yeah.
So if I go foreign again, I go get deep again.
You get deep again, can work, you go work.
Work,
you go hustle.
Hustle.
Cheese and peace, man. Which I don't have to fall from?
Right here.
Cheese and peace, man. I love, man. I love how you grab up and I rate this man and do it. Yeah, everybody around.
But mama sell it.
Yeah, so, but at least you use to support yourself straight, don't?
Straight, my dad.
How much kids you have?
None.
You don't get none yet?
No.
So, you don't want to too busy house, man?
Busy house.
Alright, but guess what? You probably not get none for yourself. But the amount of them will you probably look after.
Too much.
Oh my word, you can see it. Yeah. I love my friend.
One whole heap.
One whole heap.
God, I free them fried tag. God Almighty, you know. God like you see.
Yeah. You see it for you, man. So you get one of them will love it, picking them tea, though. Cheese and peas. Oh, but you see it there? Place a clean up and it'll go on.
It's a good look, my daddy.
Good look.
Good look. All of them me.
Good look.
No, not right now. Remember, I did when mother was here, the food establishment, the food, the food they bring. Yeah, but the roach now, because you know, say, through the things them they feed about 3 year animals.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not clean. It's a good look.
Yeah. Mrs. When the people then see, when they move the stall them Noel, and they really see how the place look, then can say, yeah man, the place want clean up.
Yeah man, it want clean up, man.
Yeah man, a real thing man. I agree. Come here, my brother them. Yeah. The family themselves down here.
The problem was, you know, let me tell you what was our problem.
Talk to me.
That we didn't know that we was gonna get arranged back.
Arranged?
How we positioned before. Because they did say when them a come 5:30 come demolish the things them. Didn't know that we were going back to normal.
Yeah.
We understand Mr. Hitbeck we did have a problem, but now we understand so we have to just set up back.
Clean up, wash down, set up back.
Right.
Set up on the stall them even brand new now.
Brand new.
Easy and nice. Yeah.
Because we chuck away how much whole things, so you know a brand new. So I eat that, daddy. It's a good look so far.
Love it.
Yeah.
Art, I love my friend.
Yo, my dog, I watch it right now. Put me on now.
Yes,
my dog, I watch it right now. You don't see me now, dog?
Yeah, your dog a toad.
You see me now, dog?
You beat, man. Dog a toad with it, bro, G.
No, bro.
Yeah, well, latency in the panic, so you don't know. You're there to see. Figure that. Down a town, bro, G.
Down a road.
Touch it, man. That is it, man.
Jamaica Walk By.
That a code every day.
Always I tell me, my dog, they are foreign. You don't know. One Teflon man, so you don't know upon TikTok.
Yeah.
You see it? Shout out Bubbles in a Mount Vernon. You don't know I'm a dog.
My place, that's it, man.
I'm a dog, Boss Dan.
Yeah.
I'm a boss Dan in a Mount Vernon.
Yeah.
Boss Dan will let me know.
Big up all like 4th Avenue massive them too.
Boss Dan Dada.
Yeah, 61 Mount Vernon, big up all of that up there too.
You don't know.
figure that.
3rd and 3rd.
Yeah.
You don't know. We're out the road. Same way. Yeah, man. Mount Vernon there.
Yeah, man.
You know him say Mount Vernon come from to that.
Yeah, man. Always there, someone. Anytime I go up, there's someone go cut.
All of the dog them there, someone. Everybody there, man. All the general that you know. Look, see him there.
Yeah, man. Me talk to the general this morning too, man. Like everybody agree with what I go on.
Yeah, man. Understand? Them money, they on the ground.
Yeah, man. Me love it.
All the dog them from the place, man.
Everybody are
hold off the place, you know.
Clean up crew like this then.
Yo, Noel!
So we are gonna collaborate, man. Cause enough time we see it there.
You know the Gram and TikTok. Shot me a message and we can exchange. Oh, you see I have a phone right now, come on.
Yeah, man, I can give you a link. Yeah, massive. Down a town. So it's all about clean up.
So you say there, you say there, I'm over and there.
Yeah, man, anytime I forward up them side, I'm out burn, I'm go. Yeah. 4th Avenue, all of the 61, all of them places there. We're on a flat. All of them out there. 3rd and 3rd.
Yeah.
And even far that, come on, go to all of them places there. Alright then, the lock it down. Teflon.
Cause the dog I tell me I'm up there, so, you know. And the dog I tell me, say, yo, the dog in the place. Next time, when y'all out them side there, the dog I tell me, say, yo, you're there in the
Jamaica Walk By.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, bro.
So respect you, yo, man, go back up on my acre.
Yeah. So me I show it you. We have a connect for down here.
Yeah, man.
Respect me.
I hear me.
See, I'm just Fabian.
Fabian?
Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. Yeah. Yeah, man. That name there now to get used to straight. Watch out on my foot. Watch out on my foot. They say, wait, them now come off. What is that? Oh, my foot a while ago. Look, keep them in the fly. Yeah, massive. It's going good so far. It's going good. Oh, teacher. Concrete King. Oh, you mean? Concrete King. Yeah, man, massive. Down at town. Clean up there. Beckford Street. Down at town. I say, we could have asked Joseph where we get the food. Can ask Joseph. Yeah.
That's what I thought first.
So big up to everybody on the live. I don't know, I have to say that every time, you know what I mean? Respect to all of the support. Everybody will stay tuned right there now and see what go on down here and thing. Yeah, man. Why am I not telling a lie? I only work. Manners and respect me elder them every time. You know good?
We always good. That's how we work, you know?
Yeah, man.
We have to see what go on.
Get it clean up right. When I wash down and thing, you know, now get to build back some pretty style, you know, and I'm if you tell you.
We have to give greeting to the thing. Yeah, hear me? You see them rubbish there? I have to take them style in there.
Yeah, true. And the kind of hard this. Yeah, no, but it's starting with it. I got hard to clean it right. Even your yard, if you're not moving furniture, then right way, man. You can't get it clean when you want clean.
Moving furniture, them.
Yeah, if you want, you have to ask yourself, so then me clean this yard every day. One Joseph. Joseph. All the yard, you tell us all the yard. If you don't move all the dresser, them more while you have to say to yourself, say, G's and P's. Them used to clean this house.
Be a cobweb.
So my brother, you're Joseph. You don't got town.
Yeah, man, we have focus right now. I mean, my name on the live a while ago.
Yeah, cause we didn't even get nothing to eat yet, there, don't we? Yeah, I tell you, Joseph, the hear me name. So you must have all of them holiday where people sell, so all of them spot here, we are cleaner. Which part of the shop there, Joseph?
Up on the street,
I come in, make you go up there, go see if we can find something. I swear to you.
Alright, no, you know me can't operate without
manners. Yeah.
I can't go along without food.
Man, I see you. Respect.
Alright.
Oh.
Joseph.
Yeah, man.
So, Joseph forward to the rescue car. I cut the video I go so I can try to get food. And then I eat that.
Yeah, massive. So, that's it. I told you that the real way. So big up to everybody. You don't know. Can call out some name to all of my supporters. Them. You see me and say, oh my word.
Not because it looks so.
Yeah, not because it looks so.
Them work hard to make town
Safe so that they can get to sell and have business. Joseph, what are your thoughts on that? You have to make sure say don't get good for people there. But tell people say, we walk down a town anytime you know, bro, I feel alright. No disrespect, nah, nothing.
And them can't make them sell, so they can afford that.
Yeah, the place have to safe so they can sell.
And hold up on the line. See me there with my phone.
Yeah.
Mate say, yo, move the one and try to do nothing to me.
Nah, me I know, brother.
Your phone and walk through and buy it. You're good to go.
Yeah, man, I swear. The Joseph, how long know you out there? How long know you sell down a town?
5 o'clock me there.
No, I mean, how long you sell down a town?
Officially. Not even officially. Them officially, you can pay for officially, but before...
No, usually it used to be us there, you know. When you used to do, I bring the people them to sell, to buy.
Okay.
Yeah, before him having own a store. Morning, best then.
I'm looking like a girl, look. Yeah. Mother sell right there, so.
Oh, your mother?
Years, right that corner right there, so.
Okay.
That's a Princess Street?
Yeah, right at Princess Street and West Queen Street.
Yeah.
Some of they are right through from that. On that, just town me know.
Just town that was straight.
Everybody were there.
Straight.
Not just coming up.
Yeah.
No, man. And they know they want another long time.
Everybody are there literally, they not just come.
I tell you. Alright, you see yes or no? A long time me no go up here, so. That's right up by your place. I look see if you eat. I look see if you eat. Hungry.
So you don't have him on the camera there, look.
It have a little latency. Come in, make a walk.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have a little latency.
Yeah,
a little latency.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bomb. See the brand there?
Where the pan now? The YouTube or the TikTok?
Where the pan? YouTube or TikTok? Oh, YouTube look like him the pan.
Okay.
YouTube with the pan.
Yeah, with the pan, all of them.
No, my dog sent me a link, say the
Manners fire, manners.
Yeah.
A long time I not touch up in another lane at either now.
What lane name?
It's a Luke Lane.
Luke Lane, top Luke Lane.
Okay.
Cause Luke Lane run go straight down, you know. Yeah.
Alright.
What is the next project, man?
Boy, we don't even know if we answer that. We
last
night we jump, we say we are for that song. One time, and I know will remind me. I know will remind me, say, remember,
Yo, Papa!
we never can know what we are doing yet. Cause today like this on a Sunday, I not too long just gone on my bed. Cause I up. Last night I finished edit the drop video this morning.
Yeah, from the style.
You see me?
So it works.
I'm figure out go to church. Yeah.
Right.
Manners. You see me?
I just awake, you know. You just
time,
just awake.
See bro G, I see him where you go and do it. Oh Joseph! I'm nice to see you turn off. Fire. Manners.
From the last time you go over 2 person over 4th August.
Yo, you don't feel good until you see somebody actually watch a video them, bro. Yeah, man.
You know what the thing is about.
Yeah, bro G. I end this.
Yeah, man.
Manners, morning.
Roxanne.
Right, we bring you all our viewers them shot we are getting food now.
Yeah, right. Up top Luke Street.
Luke Street. Luke Lane. Yeah. With the right at top Luke Lane. Yeah.
Luke Lane and Earwood Street corner.
Right.
Yeah. Mad.
Early morning, I come get food. I can't get that to family.
Top chef.
So, feed my food ready there by the time you do say, oh, early probably there. Him live here. Yeah, man.
Alright, people, so I cut my video because food me I need right now.
I'm not sure what it is, but I have to get something for munch, man. You see me, I'm not cut. You know my one to go and run.
Yeah, cut. The people was everything.
Food, actually, I must do I just fry dumpling and boil them.
Go on small fried up with ackee and saltfish.
Other food shop.
Chop the bottom. Alright then. Yeah, that now one small fried dumpling and ackee and saltfish. And you say, but it look like a shop avenue this. See, that's a more okay.
On the alley, man.
At the food alley, food court today.
Yeah, so with them, man.
Yeah, John, no, massive. We're there. So I say, manners and respect to everybody who actually jump on right now and I watch you go on.
Yo, the man asks who you. My brother asks who you. Me there on the 401 with dog them from Mount Vernon and like that.
Small one.
Yo, Radigan, the man asks who you. Tell him your name now. Tell him your name, please. You're there for live.
You look like an artist.
You look like either Ninja Man or Wani.
No, real Johnny P.
Bumba Clark, you hear that? Real Johnny P.
Yeah. That's a code, man. Big up and respect the teacher.
Yo, the whole world I see you in that.
Yeah, man.
Tell him say you look a wife. Yo, the man I look a wife, you know. Anyone out there who needs a hard-working husband, him or the man. The man here, him working at this shop here, and him also work for the Chinese them, the two Chinese them. You have brother and sister. Him work for the both of them. When the brother and sister war, ching chong chai, him going out the middle with nunchucks.
With nunchuck.
Him them call Radigan. 5 job.
Oh my word, but everything great. Massive over there. Hold on, they not even see me from body down.
Oh yeah, come and tell some of the
touch up the G.
Remember say plug, them plug. You know where I go. What's going on in like now?
Hey, turn away a Fabian. People, it's a Fabian. We know it's a Fabian now, you know shirt all now.
So it's all about downtown Kingston. Click up there. Big up the Armour Jamaica Walk By Massive on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, everywhere over there. I love bad. We're there. In that street. I yesterday before and some people have video me.
I can't stop, you know that.
What they have? Give me stew chicken.
I'm gonna get the stew chicken.
Yeah, stew chicken for me. So yeah, Massive, big up. I'm gonna say what I'm gonna see with that shit, but I can video me, but no problem with that, man. I post it and tag me, you understand? Yeah. Because more people see me, them do me, them feel more welcome when we go places. So I get some breakfast. So don't have to, we not lock off. We are there to see what go on. Oh yeah, so man. I love, man. And look, we chatted there, me always on a town.
Yo, my dog up on the phone right now.
What name?
Yo, wait, him say you know the man them from Puma.
From Puma Barbershop?
Yeah.
How are them blows? That's crazy, I say, man.
Barbershop, yeah, man. Them man here say.
The 4th Avenue that you hear me a big up, man. Tell me, tell all our man them in the barbershop, say big up.
Them a watch.
Puma, whole crew, everybody over there from 4th Avenue. Yeah. Big up at the Sanja shop on 4th Avenue, same speed, that a golden cross. Big up to, me don't want to say, up a girl live, over, what do you call it? Me don't want to say. Jesus and people put me on the trouble, you know. It's like how we call Galdeville.
Yeah.
They have a restaurant and they put the girl in front and say, yo, the mother said
which restaurant that there?
Right up the road from Puma Barbershop.
Right up the road from Puma Barbershop.
Yeah.
A restaurant where them put the girl in front of it.
Yeah.
Girl in front of it. You don't know?
Yeah. In the top side Puma Barbershop. So big up me so to CM Speed, the whole photo video, a bad thing, but we're there.
Yeah.
But Verdad.
Oh,
blessings, we're there, Dogatown.
Yeah.
We're out here, man. So big up every Massive, we are watching from TikTok, we are watching from everywhere.
So you have to know.
We just go and work, we get to eat a little bit, and then we're outside, car. We are trying, that I will not drink no oil. Can you imagine that? We always have a soap.
Nothing wrong,
yeah.
We like the work on our do, man. What do you mean?
Respect, man. So we so circle again. Yeah, get some food and big up. Me rate the energy, man. Yeah, man. Me have a number, say no, me a link you, me you walk out some place down there.
Of course, anywhere you want to go. Anywhere.
That is it, man. We're there. Yeah, man. Massive outside, man. Figure that. Listen now, will I get you ready?
Mango juice, cucumber juice, jump from juice.
Let me see. Mango, cucumber.
Say mango. That's a real mango in there.
Yeah. More, yeah, maybe something with the pine.
How we know which one? This is which one now?
The real vibe this down at town.
Cucumber and jump.
Cucumber and jump. Yeah, me work with that. Yeah, man, Massive. Real down at town. Swear. Real down at town. Right now, this is low clean. See me? So, it's all about clean up there down at town and off to a great start. Big up everybody we watch from TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Art, Love and Respect. Big up to my dieted subscribers them too. You understand? Real down a town fire, you mean? Real. You're good man, sit down there son, nobody move. You're good right there son. Yeah. Yeah man. Hey, me not feel like no country like Jamaica. Yeah. Hey, what you say? You say, me not feel like no country like Jamaica, no? You call like a Jamaican load. Listen, Jamaica one of the realest country, man. I tell you, don't get ever plug in, never lack. Hey, grandma, you can get fish and everything. Trade on the Sunday morning, yeah? Look for the place, man. I love Jamaica, man, you know? Me just want the man them just don't do the crime, don't do all of them sit there nowhere. Eh? Look for the Sunday, man. Jesus, Bill. Eh? No country don't really like this a country in Jamaica. Remember me telling you. Yeah? Even though they live in Jamaica, they don't start live yet. Look for the town. Oh my word, man. We love a place here. Bad. Love Jamaica. Bad, bro. Me say we just need to love one another, Godfather.
We love yourself and we are cheers.
Cheese and peace.
Oh, you chat to the Rasta?
Yeah.
Be with the Rasta. Rasta have knowledge, you know.
Yeah, man, Jamaica
me and them man a reason every day.
They say they are traitor against one another.
Yeah. But no one herself, much less one another.
Rasta the only one we have peer to.
Yeah.
Rasta bust the beer them early.
Oh my word, look here man. On the Sunday, look on the Sunday man.
Beer season start.
What if a beer?
Cheese
Rasta have the beer them. Anybody want beer, come down at town now.
Jaja no fire.
Yeah man.
I love man. But that's why we love with people them I love with self man.
People and me love Jamaica, but the way in which people them carry on, me can't love the way in which them carry on.
Yeah, we not like them attitude, man.
Attitude, you know.
Yeah.
We need to get in ourselves and bring out the right thing.
Right thing.
Any people that live in next generation are waste people them.
Yeah, because our time soon fade away.
You know, fade away. We there forever, we are there forever. But we need to set the change that the next generation can come live better than we.
Better than we.
If we not live in next generation, we are waste people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Tell them some knowledge fire. What the man name?
You know, say Rasta me though.
What they call you?
Rasta.
Just Rasta?
That's all me like. I don't like no other name.
Just Rasta?
Yeah, Rasta. Yeah.
Cheese and peace, man. I love Rasta.
Rasta, yeah, man.
It's sick, man. Rasta out there, Rasta hustling garlic, him say pear, banana, yellow yam, white yam, coconut, melon, yonkin, everything, man. Pear medicine yourself.
Yeah, renta yam.
Renta yam. See a sweet potato there. Remember you have boom boom yam, no renta yam, no white yam, yellow yam, no. No, renta.
Boom boom yam.
Yeah.
That's where Josie Wales and them did a talk about in the song.
Yeah, this one look like pizza, this one look like pum pum.
Boom boom yam, them call
yellow
yam.
I never know some call the food, sir.
Yeah, man. Soft yam.
Right.
And you have the yellow yam with tougher.
Why, yeah, because we have find a spot here and try to eat some food, I tell you. Love Jamaica bad boy, I tell you. Alright, we can beat here. See, I have a nice piece of chair here too. I don't know want somewhere to put the camera, we turn up.
Oh, something.
Yeah.
Unless
if you have a next little piece of table.
Yeah,
Oh. Love Jamaica bad bro. Right now you said just call for a nice music video. Right that's all? Alright that's all Valiant do for him?
Yeah, for him.
Lord have mercy bro.
I want to you. I want to Valiant do music video for the recent song. You know it.
You know a man will do a video right over there, so.
I probably, if I know yes I don't so.
Yeah.
Valiant do music.
Valiant, yeah man, Valiant at the dark. Valiant at the dark, man.
Yeah. I hate
man. In the place.
Massive down at all, that tell you.
In the place, man.
Oh, but film tape. Yeah, we're not there too long, man. Hold on.
Go for food now?
Yeah, go for food then. Make a beat them.
So we're going to hold the camera while the man is eating.
May I make it stand up?
Oh, you can make it stand up?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Bumbo clad, man, have the tripod and everything. Yeah, my place, Jamaica Walk By there, my place, everybody.
There, man.
My place in there.
There, man.
My business place, you see?
No joke. We're there, man. Joseph?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to take an amp for them. Ah, so look. Hey, I want this. Big up my teacher, everything good. No, man, may link up after that. Remember, say may link up at Dogatone after that, man. And we have some what a reason that day, man. That was the day when Cartel forward the show. Yeah. Yeah, man, that was a good reason. Yeah, we get one still as a man. You know, so we can make it go back down without him. Oh, you get something sitting there too? Alright, tell Bookie to we so forward, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, but we're good, man. See, we're there with Pipe Boy and the whole of Pooba Barber Shop. Good. And the whole of the energy them. You understand? Big up to all the photo video massive, same speed. Yeah. And everything, we are there. Straight. Yeah, man. We are there, man. Oh, yeah?
So, I never live there. At first, I go somewhere, I buy food and I sell mackerel. We know what it can be for a long time. I know from first, a long time, I remember I said mackerel I serve on the menu. I mean, I can buy it dinner. But you say stew chicken was out. Stew chicken.
Yeah, stew chicken, that go feel, you know. Yeah, that go feel me, man. See me? So, big up all like massive. I say, no matter where you're watching from, Art of Love, respect and things. That's me I say, from TikTok to Facebook to YouTube. Full up. Yeah, so massive, we're there, man. It's swear. No move, no way. We're there, man.
Full up. I'm sure them more are going.
That is it. Oh yeah, man, I go over there a couple times and then refurbish it and hold it for thing a couple times and sit.
I never go over there for a bit.
And then did it like this? Yeah, so massive. One more time, if you just a join, it's clean up there downtown Kingston on the Sunday where them are going to remark the street, wash it down, and it's all about especially Beckford Street, which are, you know, all of the Igler in Guan and them thing there. And you can see an idea to how down a town stay on a Sunday. You understand? So, let's do it like this. Beach wear! Yeah! Beach wear, we are forward there. Oh, wait a minute. Boy, the whole Jamaica be hard. The boy can walk, you see, man. Sexy Maxine! Sexy Vitrum! Big up yourself, Maxine! Wait! Every day you're there! You're not going home! Alright, Maxine, that's all circle here! Alright! Sexy Maxine! Big up to all of the support of them! Beach wear! Beach wear! Beach wear! Hey, remember me a stream. Me no want none of that. Yo, talk to him, make him go on. Don't make him dry out, you know. Beach wear, don't make him dry out. Because I never want to catch up on the film. You understand? Come in, man. Come touch him, man. You know what you go. Ah, my brother. Godfather, no bother with your foolishness, beach wear, you know? Yeah, no foolishness. No foolishness. Look for him too. Yeah. The man get beach wear angry. So you're massive. We don't can do no violence, none of that. I mean, I make none of my brother them catch up. What me said, oh well?
Right.
You're mad. You must time beach rate till if you go on.
Yeah.
I didn't hear.
So you don't understand that.
We understand say him not so up in the right, I say, you see me?
Yeah.
But good God, man, low that, eh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we are YouTuber. Jamaica Walk By, I have Yo Noel, literally, like Yo, like I say Y-O-W, Yo Noel, N-O-E-L.
Yeah, man. What you say?
Jamaica Walk By.
Yeah. Same way it say, like you walk and buy, not like I say goodbye, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Now make progress, man.
Yeah. Whole heap of work this, then can't done by 10 o'clock.
Alright, see the people. So
because me don't one thing about Jamaica Walk By, me there downtown anytime. When it full up, when it's scanty, when the people them a sell, when not go on, every time. If you say first you see me, why somebody wrong? Yeah. No man, me whole weekend me a stream we done 7 hours. Oh, no man, I whole of them at all. Look, Joseph. No, that's me easy back. No man, that's me easy back. Yeah, I said that's me easy back. What? No man. No man. And that me I say got 7.5 hours. Me down here. What? Luke Lane, Duke Street, Matthews Lane, throw the big grass everywhere me go. When we walk down the town, parade everywhere. Everywhere. Yeah man. No well, do that something here. Wait to talk about hold up about with the phone one. I talk about do one puzzle. That first me I see this out.
oh, to confirm say again back.
Do that. Of course, me see that. Do it again. This is crazy.
Yeah, I think that though. They want to know say I don't want back. They want to know say active. Hold on.
Take it back out. Let it go in. I can't bother that for more. Oh yeah, massive. So we are sure all our progress them down at all. Oh I mean. We're not sure. Morning. You're good man. So we are catch a whole our progress today. They said they want done by 10 o'clock. I highly doubt it. Oh, and thank you so much for all our donations them. You understand? Manners and respect. Remember on the car?
10 minutes for
nah,
20 minutes to do all that street.
Nah, go right.
Nah, go right. Yeah.
Massive in the final you can see Bashka you know. See Bashka sure. See Bashka.
When something new start.
Jeez and peace. Yo, many people right across the road don't know what that street look like
when it's empty.
When it's empty.
So
because
I issue the share capture
yeah man.
Right now, I issue your capture for you guys. 10 years down the line, people can look back and say, wow, I saw that street that you look when it's empty. Then time that one bag of decoration in the ear. 10
clothes, everything.
Yeah, in here so. Yeah. I wonder what it look like. That come like when them clear Niagara Falls. To clean up the ground. To clean up the ground? Yes, more of them block it off, you know. You not even know that. Watch a video point them block it off and clean up the ground. That over years ago. Jaja. Look for the place. So how them water are going now? Cause as me and man them talk about it, as rain fall down and as rain fall the place flood out, you know. You have to clean the drain then, you have to open all the drain and clean it out. In India you see the man them go down in the drain. Where? In India man them go down in the drain, go down in the blouse or skirt, what? You go down in this black, you come back out purple. Them one not so deep, so you can put shovel down there and stick. Bad! I'm bad about Yo, you can't even recognize what you did there. Bookie! Yeah, I know cookie. Respect. Manners and respect the teacher. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, man, brother, there, you know? Let me buy one small food. Our small food come with 6 dumplings, brother. Yeah. More than 6. 3 boiled dumpling
And 4
fried dumpling.
And what kind of
The fried dumpling them liquor.
Oh, go. It's alright, alright.
Yeah, it tastes really good.
No, it's not answer.
But so much food, bad man, I eat it a week. Okay, it's so much food, I'm 3, but I love it, I'm 4 fried. No, sir.
Yeah, man, that's so bad because
yeah, man. Tough. It's a good vibe, dog. And that there, sir.
I have to cut off and put on go home.
No, you want to catch some still, but we don't know how we have to go do it. I did it, so I'll get it, man. Wait. Hi lady, clap your hand right now. No. Oh Jesus. You listen to Kukudu too? Kukudu. Oh, when you sit upon the heavenly throne. Hallelujah. Oh Jesus.
Yes, the man shift to style.
Me not tell a man.
Man say this now pull up.
Tell bad mind people say if you leave you alone. Hallelujah. And that man said if you blow and shift you around.
Yeah, them people are bad.
Yeah, cause this a go hard to build up back from.
When I decide to now pull it down.
What you mean, teacher? Shift it, man.
Anyway, if I don't know where they want to go, we have to put it down.
And then,
yeah, the people are crazy.
look on the bottom with that.
yeah, man.
See, right so Joseph can't even find back in spot, car. But Joseph, alright, I drain. But Joseph, oh, you're on the phone. Joseph, come talk to him, man. Yes, it's alright, I say you did it.
Yeah, it's my spot that massive. That's what. Joseph Starling. Yes, I'm massive. You don't want to add problem, you know.
Come like. Watch your joke, watch your joke.
Sonny Bradshaw, we're there upon the go.
But Joseph, you're one of the most testament spot, brother, with the drain. No wonder you have to have all of the... Another one.
Yeah, one more truck again.
But Joseph, yeah, that's why you have to make sure that your business is high, man, because the sewage, the close by.
Yeah,
yeah.
Senicross.
I want to make that.
Yeah, as you see, as the rain fall,
yeah, full of water.
All of them drain in here. And yeah, so, and the one of the upper corner up the West Queen Street and Princess Street, them collide. So as the rain fall, the whole of here, so River Jordan. River.
As little bit of rainfall.
As little bit of rainfall. River Jordan down here, so. So, what they ever see what they do? They clean up.
Come in. Let's have him do it.
Yeah. What him talk say?
Him say you do it. How you gonna know?
I don't know what him talk about. I don't know what him talk about.
Can't you alone, Joseph? May I stand up with my brother. Can't him alone. If I him do it, and I him alone.
We can't call like jail. We can't call like jail.
So,
we got jail.
So look on it. Joseph, they say they want it done by 10 o'clock.
Yeah, they want to do it early. So early I do it, them do it better for we.
Look on the time now.
Okay.
Look on the time now, bro. I 8:46 and then I reach half, not in quarter, no past yet.
They might clean up, then they might use the truck, wash it, put it out, and then paint it back.
Yes, yeah, some of them back up your stall. You have a mash down. I can go look closer up on that side. Me not drop it. Think me I work like you? Eh? You normally have to choose the wrong place and for walk. At that. You don't see it?
Yeah.
Because I remember I saw when I done a sentence this way to drop to our house. Yeah, Raj. Big up to Raj.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. So as you see there, if you left out the stall, they have to go destroy to put it in the chop. You understand? They have to go destroy to put it in the chop. So it go on down at town. So probably bring, him show the old and bring in the new already, man. Eh? Pallet. Probably have some fresh one already. Yeah. So big up to Jamaica in 10. That's my beautiful wife, man. You don't know how to navigate the life on the back end, same speed. Big up to everybody who is new here. I love and respect, you understand? If you're new to the channel, please may I ask you to subscribe. Don't just watch, also like up the video, top up the screen, all of these good things. You see me? Yeah, man. I bless you. Yeah. Well, they're not going bad so far. Yeah, they're not going bad so far at all. Peter, you asked if it's a dangerous area. Well, down at town, anyone a place down at town right now where you see them sell or hustle, you're good. You're good for forward because they're not gonna make nothing to you now where them places, bro. You'd have to really take on yourself from them place and go in one danger zone where war or go on or them things. But you don't have any war, none of these things here. Them places here, you understand? Yeah, them places don't have none of them things here. Yeah, them places don't have that. So them places are a fully business era when it comes down to hustling. You understand? Any cheap goods, cheap clothes, anything you want like that, you get it down them side here. Right. You understand? So you're good for forward with your cell phone, you're good for forward with your chain, them, your jewelry, everything. Nobody not trouble you, bro. Them a put all of them days the way behind me, brother. Yeah, man. Man, they want to sell, man, they want to make money. We don't have time for no violence and no foolishness right now. Man, they want to make money. And the youth, them see say, them can make a life out of hustling, especially that spot here. Yeah. And the government give them a road to say, alright, then put up on a business, sell on a shirt, shorts, pants, whatever you want to sell. Yeah. And get to no customers and live. So it's good to see them actually get a time now where they can clean up, get the place back organized again, and ready up, because you can't get the right cleaning if all of the stall them put out. Because as you can see, whole heap of stall they put out and see stall them move and look for debris. There's so much debris. Even your house, Noel. I mean about even your house. If you don't move all your dresser for a while or your bed and them thing there and clean it the right way, come like your house not clean. Yeah, for real. So I see them thing we don't
understand. They might see us a little clear right now, but your house was fully covered. Fully. Business place like from both sides, like a dome. Like yeah. One dome, like an underwater bridge. Yeah. Exit underwater bridge way down the sun. So right now, they have to do that. Yeah.
So, and the people, them not complain, them not cuss because they well want the place clean up and wash off and then line back again. Wait, that water truck that come, see water truck then? Yeah, see water truck come and sort out. So make you go see if we can see. Piece of this.
I don't know what to say.
Why,
first, they need fear.
Me not cut you. Hold a point there before me figure out this. So, this is it. Here somebody said that, why is there so much debris? It happened over time. I just overtime. And good amount of years. Yeah, and you know sometimes too the stall them so close. Yeah. Morning. Yeah. Beach wear. My brother. Beach wear. Clean every day. I want two of them shots. Yeah, you have to show me spot.
We have one beach wear, One Jamaica Walk By. I'm just coming up. And some people want to jam me out here.
Clean.
But Jamaica Walk, I say you're that.
Yeah, man.
Look at that.
Nah, man, that business is none of them things. Look at the man. Jesus and peace, man. Beach wear. Clean every day. New marina every day.
Don't left the vote. You hear that?
Oh, voting close Friday and now. Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
You understand?
That's a code.
Subscribe. That's a code. Alright. That's the party.
Josie, them down there, sir.
That one.
All our man, them down the corner. Let's show down there again. Yeah, bro. Yeah, massive. So big up all of my brother them down at town. Car left them out. Man, them called me and said, Jamaica Walk By off it down this morning, you know. I said, oh, you mean? It's a must. And I am here. So big up to everybody who are watch right now from right across the world. No matter which platform you're on, art of love and big up respect. And that's how we are doing. You see me, you know it. So
people who are you there live and direct downtown
fresh again.
Street. Like we just are tuning in.
News reporter.
International Beckford Street clean up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are sanitize the street, not just clean the garbage. They are wash on the street and paint it. They are refresh it.
Oh, they start, see them? We're going to catch it. How they do it from the water side. So see there? I wash off the whole street. I want every distance, alright. See what I want there? Eh? Yeah, oh my lady, they're going to take up here now. Alright, them I try. Remember, say me tell us, them have the thing where them probably have to go do.
Somebody no first come the street. See soap for there for the gun. Soap for there.
Them probably not started. Oh, you try, they just a sprinkle, they just a wet up. Start cleaning up Beckford Street. Big old man. What is that? More water truck.
One more water truck. A real washing of water.
A real washing of water, yes. Beard it or beard, man. Right away. Come over here.
You walk by.
Yeah.
So remember, you know a load fox me talk. You understand? You want my fox and tell me. So hear me now, people. Remember, you know, we are using the water out of the water truck, you know. There was a whole heap of people, you know. There was St. Elizabeth and them places do not have any water. And look how we there told we just get water to wash off sidewalk. And wash off the look of the muck them and then look at them on the sidewalk and look at dirt them. And look at what people down at St. Elizabeth and them side there. Do not have any water now. And look how we just get water easily if we just wash off the sidewalk. You wonder how this makes sense in Jamaica. The people them were really off it. Now give the people them who need it, you understand? You understand what I say walk by?
Alright.
But the people them down there need it, really need it, and we right here, so just need to wash up look sidewalk.
Yeah.
You understand?
Alright, but watch out now. I want to tell you, say, much as you see it, me have to go say it. You also need it. Yeah. Because you see man like all you know, when they are sell, can't have you just out of blue people, them just start drop one by one down as and are dead. And then nobody know why. Yeah, but at that every day water don't have to clog up and carry same bacteria and the thing them was spread it.
Yes.
I like me I tell.
Yes, but what's it about? Yes, sir. Them not clean out the training.
That's how we just get to know. Me I say.
Them not the training down there right now. Listen to the training down there.
All of them train they down there so black up.
Come up down there. Look them black up. The training map up.
Yeah.
What's it know? Remember them a work today, no people.
Yeah.
Them a work. So what's it know? Me I say them a clean the training today. Yeah. Me I watch if them a clean the training. I say if I watch them, I watch the sidewalk.
Me there the other day and as 5 minutes out of rain, my boy sent me a video. Whole of Beckford Street black.
What you know? Remember them a work today.
Less than that. Real talk. So that's the one next thing. So make we see.
So what you know? We are watching and see. No, the training down there, muck up everything. You know that. You pass the water.
Yeah, them one they down there so black.
So what you know? We are watching.
The water all run right. That's when I run. But I say, me I hope say everything have a starting point. So for me see this happen, me can tell say from the start, and if only the people too, because trust me, some breed of garbage when me see Jesus Christ. So we have to blame we ourselves too with the whole of the garbage and all of them things.
Yeah, true that in you understand?
We have to go figure out a way how we ourselves can do it better.
Yeah, for dispose it.
Yeah, we dispose it better. Because it's still really bad.
I'm watching my work today, but honestly to God, my point of view, I really think the people have done St. Elizabeth and them places really need the water.
True. I see them a try down there so too, you know, but you also need it too.
You understand? Yeah. Watching them clean the draining, then them clean the place today. So
yeah. We are seeing drain them.
I go clean.
Yeah, that's one of my issues.
That is the most important thing. I remember saying I want to machine water run on the road and
yeah. I see the videos them and everything, bro. It's still bad. 2 minutes out of rain and the whole place black. Eh? Brother, down a town different today. Revivalist. I just start give me piece I tune down the say like off his sound. And me have to turn me own a cuckoo down there for them. Eh? And me have to turn cuckoo down there a while ago. Big up my brother. What do you mean? That's begun. Down a town.
Baby, you see how tractor him roll out?
Yeah, man.
I see you thing, man. I see you.
Bro, me go Orlando, Florida every single day, bro. You have street cleaning. Yeah. But then in Florida and see that every single day. Then a business where them get the water from. Every day them do this.
Jamaica once a year.
Which once a year? Once any time. Because me got enough place, even New York. Me then a man at them place. As I see touch 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. Noel. You see beer, you could chuck a drive past and a sweep up the road and a wash.
All the floors of the city.
Even water, true, but even in Florida, they have a certain time where all the pipe turn on and water, all like plants them for the street. So, and a joke thing. It's a good look still, but me like say things are changed because from there's a start, you know what I mean? Have to be a start, bro.
Right, you have to get started.
Have to get started. Me and you know, cause like YouTube or social media to everybody in a life. It have to start somewhere. Whole heap of work is to be done. So I could see my boys, so I could see if them are going to clean the drain them today. So that is an issue. As a little bit of rain fall, don't have to flood out. No joke. And big up to everybody for tuning in right now to downtown Kingston. You see me I say? Bad cover, big up yourself my bro, every time Serbi. One SYM boss on the app. You understand? No joke, no doubt. What you mean? Hold this up for me, boss. Hold it right this way. Yeah man, about them me did get the notice thing. Me did get the notice where did issue out about to them and you did get the notice to from a longer time. Yeah. I don't know where it's at. We'll listen to the next one. Oh, you have it back up. That's what the right hand side, that's it. Yeah, you can turn it and everything go on. Yeah man, you're good. Yeah, that's what that's here. Charging. SYM boss! Funny up! Yeah, say. Yeah, man, see when I get to see what I want exactly down at town. What you mean? Why now I look on the place? Yeah. Man, them work here for it, you know. Yeah, man. So anybody will just join. So this is Beckford Street, Orange Street, and as you can see, you know, watch my video them all the time with me down Beckford Street and down a town, and I see exactly I know how that place I stay on a regular. Crazy business. Stall and so they on both sides like a dome. You understand? So, yes, massive. Come here, we see what I go on the back road there too. I said don't show it. Oh, I said don't show it? Yeah, oh. But it make it work easier. But it can be there, so it can be there. Hold on. No, the next one. Oh, the boss? Yeah. But the bar man every day. No, I'll probably picture him and take. Oh man, it's good man. Make your... Massive, come here, we don't have to. No way. Yeah, go road. Probably like that. tell you, down a town. So down a town look for the sun there. Yeah.
Everybody don't have no name.
What is that? Oh, BK this?
Yeah. They were clean up too.
BK are the clean up too.
They know the name of
Yeah, once somebody catch a virus and I hit that.
Yeah. Somebody just get up in the house and clean, they say alright.
Remember, you know, me have them things I'm going to do too.
Yeah. What's that cleaning too? Same speed.
Why me YouTube subscriber them, you know can't boss a 50 there, a 2 gone already, you know, you don't see what go on. You know these me so. Fire! I hate everything good. Yo this, but you duck out see away man, early see away. One Sunday. I still I said all I brands them in the man. Man! How you mean me teacher? Jeans, shorts, everything. Yeah man. Big up yourself, my brother. You good? What you drinking?
Rum and milk.
Rum and milk. Alright, big up yourself, my man. Do it. Yeah man. Yeah bro. Watch it man. Right across a parade there, Orange Street and parade. Bad thing, man, big up yourself, man. I'm going out there, yeah? Yeah, man. I have to do it, I have to do. Yeah, man. Yeah. They don't trouble yourself. Yes, sir, your party always clean. Yeah. That is it. Look up over here. That is it. How you mean? Come on, me YouTube people them. Oh gosh, how not these me so? 2 out of 50. 2 out of 50. Come on, man. Hundreds out there. Clean stamp.
Hello, baby. Sir, you want to come to baby?
Fire. Pretty eyes. Good morning. You alright? You sure look so sad this morning. Your man left you? What kind of thing that? How do you do that? With them the pretty eyes there? You can't do that, man. So fine thing that man, I don't have to know your mind. I know I'm sorry for you, who tell you to say it? Oh, God. Yeah. Fireborn. Respect, you know. See? All I wholesale them to want to sit a few wholesale up and see them way down at town. Yeah man. But it look like anything you want you can still get down at town now on a Sunday. Yeah. Pray for we here, mommy church sister. Alright. Yeah. Say it again.
No, this is your grandma bros.
No, tell them one if you watch the video and we drop it later on. Yeah.
It's a look clean though.
Yeah, we can go down here so but I'll go down for the other one. See them right there so. Alright, so everybody was asking me if I can do it the 16 by way, which is the TV way. I am actually recording it, so me da like if when I drop the video as soon as we end the live, so you can actually go watch the video and drop some comment, cause I want to hear and see all of the thoughts, you know? You understand? So this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get the preview right, so. Sexy Max, hey!
I'm here, man. I'm here.
You don't tell us I'm so come.
Yeah, we know, man. I know you're so come, you know.
Leighton?
Yeah.
This is who now?
Who this to you?
Jimmy. That's one of my good friends.
Jaja, no, rest up well.
Yeah, you know, tonight time, Candlelight.
In Candlelight tonight?
Yeah.
Jaja, no. Yeah, man. It's a one good man.
Yeah, nice man.
Nice man.
Not own herself for years.
Jaja, no.
Nice man.
Rest well, my brother. It's a Wilson.
Peace, yeah.
Oh, you mean? Right, so you this line out to all of you, sir?
Yeah, you know.
Why? Oh, you happen for you out up on the Sunday?
No, because I sell runs during the week because I have a shop.
Yeah.
But you know, upon Sunday, yes, I will look at location.
Yeah.
And a Sunday.
So you not take no day off?
When you're ready, you know, we could all party later.
We say take a day off based on how you feel?
Yeah.
But you know, hey.
When we're ready, we lock up and we sleep. Nobody no see we.
Yeah.
So another day, them just we just pop up. You understand?
Sexy vaccine.
Yeah, man, big up.
I hate man, you go on, you also all 1 year old, 3 to 3 year old, me see all kind of thing. Shots. Yeah. What you mean? See, I can come sponsor you too, you know, you understand? But what time you go in?
There till later.
There till later?
Yeah.
All them in a sexy Maxfield. Underpants, you know. All the underpants, we don't know what underpants. How much the underpants?
Poor bill.
We have underpants at $400 now. We have panty. What for the panty name? $200 panty. Whole heap of panty there. Underpants, all different size, all different color. Don't got tone. You understand? We have rag. Wipe off your face, keep your face cool. Kerchiefs, socks, bags, everything, you know. Come link up sexy Maxine, dog at town. Oh, you mean, man? Big up yourself here, my friend.
Big up.
I love every time,
Alright.
man.
Yeah, man. Bless them.
I want down at all, man. The energy you can't get down at all, man. You get it nowhere else. You understand? Yeah. Morning. Yes, man. Massive, I saw me stay, man. I love my people, them bad. I love my Jamaica bad. You understand? And at that time, I love Mount Vernon saying on the way. I say that they are Mount Vernon and them place, they feel like a yard there.
Like a Jamaica.
What? Brother, it just come like you live in a downtown Kingston. I be money me I sit on the ground now. No, so I go start take up some of them money. I be $10, $5. This that me I see now, I take them. As a matter of fact, I'm not making no more pass me. Everybody me I take up. Yeah. Oh, you mean? Me about 3 saving pan full in a bad man. And I be find money and take a look at silver them put together, bro.
Okay.
Yeah. Remember say you have silver machine up. Watch again. Me not tell a man. Watch it.
Come here,
tell her. Be a $10, be a $5.
Yeah.
You wait till me done to them, man. I trouble me.
I usually can't find money I go to the man.
Bro, find and look for them. But bro, for me, you know, say enough time I pass money since me there a stream. I say, holy bro. I say, you know, I start take them up. It'll get away, you know. Because I don't see me people them send me nothing for the life. I have to go and take up my money for a grown man. I don't know them I deal with.
Right.
Big up to a person who sent, the 2 persons who sent over on my YouTube, CM Speed. I love and big up. And big up to all that person who I watch on TikTok or want to donate to CM Speed. That shop are clean,
Clean. One of these shop.
Look at one.
What is food shop? Oh,
the food shop.
Crisscross. This should have tasty party.
Clean and pretty, man.
Yeah, man, in the clean.
Nice. Big up yourself, yo.
Well sanitized.
Yeah, are you there clean up the whole place, man? Yeah, go and go there?
Yeah.
Big up yourself, man. Touch it.
Yeah.
That is it, man.
Sanitize.
Man, sanitize. Everybody catch it. Yeah, man. The YouTube people, I don't know how they mess up today, bro. Everybody will watch on YouTube. You know pretty up the chat, man. Up on my TikTok. Come on, man. We not do no foolishness, man. Pretty up the TikTok too as well, man. Good God. We have hundreds over TikTok too as well. I say how much hundreds they on YouTube too as well. Big up and respect. Pretty up the chat. Look at the stream pretty and nice. Oh my word. Me or not so no want me do it TV way. Me I record it so phone can see that part there.
Experiment and every day is like
every day we have to experiment and see what works. And thing. So
the one that we roast the failure.
Yeah, the one that mash up.
Yeah.
And now I go can count
how long there's a stay so?
Yeah, you know move. I don't go through the cribbies and car. Brother, we are there, you good?
No, I'm
good. Boy, I feel better. Clean up and make it so good. But you still at work, man. Yeah. of Beckford Street after here. Oh, Joseph, go what's up? In the right hand corner, this one. Oh, that one have to go move. But Joseph, I'm booking them, let them on the corner. Yeah, they have to move them on the car. Based on how it's set, they have to go move now. So you can take on your star? Yeah, they have to go lick it down.
Oh, this side.
Then I tell you a while ago, but even though I saw 1 foot, there over, they want them to move, they want everything to clean. Why, today I go mad enough? Huh? Today I go mad enough? Yeah. Today I go mad. Now we don't know my... What was it then? Wow, big man. Man, watching us there. Oh, see Joseph there? Yeah, she said she have to move for your I'm my boy, mother, you know. Oh, that's a slick. So she may have some more talk about it. Alright. Yeah, I'm trying to find somewhere to put it because they connect to my back. Alright, we have enough fun now. I know it's a whole heap of shit we have enough. Yeah? Oh, that's good. Yeah. Yeah, my boy showed me vibe already right this one. So you're good. Me now go tell him say him can't make me cut my video. Before so me not show that what they want, but me now cut my video. You know nobody. If him not want me show that something, me will not show it, but he can't tell me to cut. For you come and say cut that, no, not do me that. That I got show me. Yeah. Alright now. Right, me tell Joseph on Wednesday I want to talk to you. Yeah. Me understand our head space now, so we can't complain. You get me? See? So what most of them do, put the stall them inside of the alley them and think, no joke, no dog. You see me? So what me do, me not bother catch that. You understand me now, well? Yeah. But me not going cut. Right. Yeah, I'm not going cut.
Any idea?
Yeah. Yeah, me not going cut. So don't approach me and tell me about cut that. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to walk in front of you. You understand? If you don't want a certain thing, show respect in my ears and say, see if I can catch that part. Yeah, I your number more because me here will go out with my brethren, and from that go out with my brethren, me want to render some support. So, me go take your number so I can call you after the year. Because you know me a stream. You put your
because if you tell me, man.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm going to call you and we can talk, yeah? Yeah. So when you hear me say Jamaica Walk By, yeah. You know what go on. Just put in a number and make sure it's good. Alright, me will call you, yeah? Alright, heart of love. Because I know things set now.
Let's put that
up, save it for me.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, Cavell, C-A-V-E-L.
I put in as
Sharpman mother.
Downtown. Slick.
Mr. Slick.
Yeah. Mr. Slick. I mean, man. I saw me come here and give all of them.
I hear about Jamaica Walk By, Mr. call him so straight. You know, so today I'm a birthday, I'm not for there.
Yeah, but based on walk one, you get a lick on all angle. Yeah, you go get 100 more birthday if you celebrate that one.
My life, man. My life, my good.
Great. Yeah.
My life, my good. So my friend, so me run call him.
You know, say me last ad when me do one thing. Alright. Oh, say less. Say less. Yeah, man, be circle you. Yeah, Joseph. Yeah, man. So, somehow you don't understand, but there's a youth that was in one of my promo video for the competition. One incident going down a town where him get injured and things. So, I'm currently in the hospital right now, but him go and take it easy, you know. Big up my boss. All is well. Yeah, because through that one now kind of set away, we have to go pull long to move. Ja. So my lady, see, it's a slick mother. One gone inside the shop. So massive. Even though some of them, boy, this a go hard. Me see why me couldn't bother to go pull long that one here. That's a trouble, you know. Because that one a well built.
Move fast enough.
Yeah.
Get it sorted out.
That one I could have left, man. That one I could have left. What you say? Why you not go on? I start make your people business bother you. Stop make people business bother you, man. Go on, man, and leave people business alone. Yeah, man. Go for fear one them can't come. go for fear one. A good video. Yeah, because that one, they could have. Why book it? That one then could have blow through that one still.
Yeah, you're right. I know them go bypass the one. You see the one you know a plant is plant.
Yeah, can I see all the ground?
Yeah, real house, you know.
Watch that, sir.
Where, what's going on?
Hey, watch it. Oh, you're sweats already. Oh, you're sweats already. You just read.
We are on one part. Good
Grace Vlogs. Yeah. Good morning, my brother. How you doing? I'm here with one of my general from down the town. Goes by the name Bookie. One of the biggest store owners MCM Speed. You understand? Beckford Street massive. In name Grace Walks. Yeah, man. Big up
yourself.
You know, me don't start talking to the elder cause, you know. You recognize me Friday night week.
Yeah.
I'm saying kind of glad me come to a follow up. Me not just do a one band thing. Yeah?
Makes sense.
Yeah, makes sense. So, you know what people?
Grace Walks. Grace Walks. Grace Walks blog. But we can work this one now. Because this is a name pull long now. When am I going to put all I see them now?
I go put man from last night. Pull long, you know. I'm sure you know.
Bring back my son of a war bookie.
Yeah, it's on well out, man.
Yeah, man, massive. Boy, me do up this a while ago, I look down at all and I say, boy, I see why when I down here every day and the energy down here just nice, brother. Yeah, me couldn't feel like where I live, you know? Here Joseph, Joseph. Me so get down at all and break it up, because people in my ball and say, me need video poke more. Here Joseph, yeah man, you can go in there, but don't take too long to come back. Video man, nah, laugh with it, go on, you know. Well, man, big up yourself, though. Man. Oh, yeah, massive. Down at town.
Yeah, it's very massive.
Wash you all the place they clean up and look good again. You say, I want if you move, brother. And then, alright, it's a booking. If you move all the one now, and then say, then give you back his spot. You have to go build it back. Peace and peace. That's a trouble, you know. Go help him. Nobody else now. Our impact that thing have. The pull. Peace. I'm sure they reach. Yeah, this firm is well built. Holy pass it now go on.
water truck and beer place.
Yeah, Bookie.
Get the place clean up and
but the drain though.
we are going to sort out that man.
The drain issue.
But we are going to do now and make our drain. See that?
Let me go a little closer. Cause my boy I want me catch a little thing so me no bother show up out there. That's why I walk around. But you know what the next thing too? You know,
that's at the bar.
yeah. But with the garbage situation now, Bookie. We as the people have to figure out one way how to not make it pile up so.
Yeah. Alright, let's let go the part.
Yeah, yeah. Bookie said alright, yeah. Lego part, Lego the part. Yeah, cause the part there, I hard part that.
Hard part that's more trouble.
Yeah. So I just that. You see if we can figure out the part there too. Yeah, alright, that's true. I remember all here, so. Right, one Domino's in there, so Bookie?
Yeah.
You up in?
I like it. You come
Bookie?
Domino's, honey bun.
And people buy Domino's.
Every day people buy it, like hot bread.
So how come I found you?
One Domino's there. Oh, the honey bun, I will probably see how it tastes is there. Where it tastes is spotted them myself too. Hi, Bookie. No, go on now. Alright, that's a year. Alright. See what I go on in your spot and now water where I wash off the street. I pile up.
Yes.
Must say me I try to give them a little space so they can get to work properly. You understand? So me don't want to impede them way, so that's why me I stay on the little outskirt a little bit. So they can do what they want to do.
Catch you on
the right, that's right. Yeah. I mean, I want them get a man them feel all away or something. Or load up too much. But I still make you see how the progress are going because I any idea if man like we show us things like this are doing, people not going to know, you know.
No.
And people not going to see it. They must feel like they're
downtown dirty.
Downtown cranny and
for them now.
Exactly. Exactly. Anyhow we not show it, them not going to know say them things like these are happening.
Every year.
Or every year them do it.
Every year this done. And it's always done.
I know sometimes
we sell on the street of the car.
Yeah, sometimes people come in on it. What happened? Some of them can record. Some of them can say.
I went 10 Yes, sir. Basically.
That's why you know all like both stalling here.
Yeah, that's what he said.
When I try to say tapaling?
In the week when I come in and they're talking, right?
Oh, as in like, you mean like a tent, like a juicy party is tent, them the official one? Oh, tent.
So the people that have a problem with moving, and the people that build the stall and come out, and them have to go come back in on the roadside. But them stall already built too wide and too big. He said the people that have no problem, and people that with tent like that we easily can remove. But them are right up the line them on the road and thing, push back some of the vendors and back on the side where originally we didn't give them space to use. Understand? So that's the plan. But some people already building some stuff already.
Like permanent out in the street.
Out in the street. In the market, we were saying the same thing. Say, them want service vehicle can pass through. They don't mind. We can take a sidewalk all in the world. But you stand to easily pull up and can move when a day like this. When clean up. Understand? Clean
Come on, like you, Bookie. You're not really in the road anyways.
Listen, 10 car as the breeze coming through.
Yeah, as an experienced man.
As rain fall, it mash up.
Right, the father and son, me just scroll away and see up on live, you know. Are you yard like you there, yard and stuff, you know? You're there?
Yeah, I'm going out for the live man, so I run come a town start.
Father and son.
Go on down and start.
I love and respect my godfather.
You see it?
Yeah,
man. Outside. No, go on, man.
So, I'm glad that I can show it that you can get to come see what I want. Things like these are being done down at town.
Down at town, you see? This way I go and clean up and stuff.
Yeah, but as an experienced man down at town, say, man like Bookie you know, if Bookie say, with the tent situation, say, breeze, and hey, Grace, If breeze, when breeze blow down, I say right away, you know, yo. Everything, good morning. Come true.
An experience you say long as a juvenile.
Yeah, man, when rain and breeze, don't have a two dread thing, man, when it comes down to selling down at home. Don't it fire? Yeah, man. What? I know, boy. Yeah, let me listen to some of the chat. So chat, Mummy Kadin Sterling. Someone mentioned earlier about getting them big garbage bin for them to put the garbage and pick up garbage regularly. Yeah, super agree with that. That would be really good. That would be really, really good. That would have worked wonders. You understand? Again, big up to everybody in the chat. It's Veronica in the chat, Miss Kadin Sterling, Orient Freestyle, Janela Faye. You understand? Dennis Marshall, blessings and respect from Roxine Kitchen, Garcia, blessings and respect. But don't at all with my brother them. You see me? Everybody in the chat, art and love. But there, so I go on. You know. Any stall we can move. But look, yeah, look at my boy. Yeah, you know, they take down. My boy that try to save it, but still couldn't save it. Star. Let me that try to move it. If you lick it down. So at least you know now the home can see a whole heap of clean up situation and go on when it comes down to down at home.
Yeah.
So I not just garbage and cleaning up.
Yeah. Sanitize.
Because me hear people that say, boy, don't a town cranny, don't a town this, don't a town that. So we are give credit to everybody where we get credit. Say. It's sellers them try them best because trust me, you can see some of this part them where we come here and say I sellers them a clean up a lie. Yeah, then start from yesterday. So big up to all I sellers them too. We start them cleaning process from yesterday. You see me? And see in the morning them they again with it. No man, me and them there have one part from day to man. Yeah man, we there apart from day man. Tell us the whole of yourself for we now. Beach we done lock it already man. Yeah massive. Big up to everybody from Canada that is watching. Big up to all America, massive. Big up to everybody on the ground. You see me I say, crazy work I go on in Jamaica and things.
Remember say all lies illegal.
Oh well, no. There's a small cable there in my bag. Oh,
Just a plug in?
No, you plug in from here. Everything I want
Yeah, every time you get to the time.
Yeah, sir?
Yeah.
Beckford Street. Yeah. No, that's not yet done. Batch something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Batch back. That is the last night they have to put some thoughts in it, man. This is if anything, you know, run out, you know?
Yeah.
So massive, remember, later on I drop the full video so you can actually watch and sit down. Oh wait, you want to fly drone?
Wait there.
In a car. It's crazy, key in my bag, weird in my bag. I have to go walk, go there. And see if I get a couple shots. Yeah. Or if you can look through this, it's there in the truck. It's there down in there. It's in the spot. See that? Yeah. Once you go near you can just open the door. And I just go, you know, if you pull it, just go right at the chunk and just put it on there to squeeze and pull. Just file the rubber something. I see Joe in a case.
go on like them do good, but they're not doing it.
We say Babylon don't go on like them do good.
No, don't do. Yeah. Because why it's a pattern. Then pattern easy to read up, you know. Why always this time? Why they don't do it before now? You know? It's a money making thing. So why them do it now? Because I'm calling a register time now. Register people them again. And you know restrict it. And when the people them go to come back in next time and say, yo, I'm going to come along again because I'm going overboard. So it's a pattern good follow, brother. Why they not do it before now? Why them have to do it when I register?
Registration time now.
So pattern easy to read up and money them love bro. Them not there for the people them.
Joseph, you can say about that. A registration time again.
Regardless, if Beckford Street,
no, don't at all.
Beckford Street.
November.
And December time we register.
December time.
Yeah, we register.
Alright, sir. So Joseph, how you feel about the day so far?
We want to clean up with you.
Want to clean up. Me agree with that.
Yeah.
Me fully agree with that.
Yeah.
The place badly they want to clean up. Yeah. Even when, as me say, me put in a situation of your yard. When you move your just and move your bed and start cleaning, because like your house not clean for 1 year.
1 year, be a couple.
Yeah, be everything. So I agree with that. Place you want to clean up, man. See Akeem over there, so Akeem write a theme part there, so he want to figure out what kind of problem that. But look like whatever he do it at work. Because the water start flow. Yeah. It did badly need clean up. I have to say that. And why me I show it?
No, man.
I know say me personally if I'm there I don't hear nobody say that about you.
Yeah.
So me I second the Joseph I say. Yeah. I think when time them take down install them and see the condition, them say damn it, place need this. I know why me I show it? Because me do a lot of videos downtown and people say, yo, place crowd, your place here, so now them can see it, you see it, cleaning operation actually is taking place. And I see a lot of them in the chat right now saying the same thing like, wow, they never know say them something are going and when since the initiative has state, it has been started a good while now. It probably don't done as often, but it's actually being done.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Alric.
Oh, it's Alric.
Yeah.
Yeah, so which is great.
Exactly. Yeah, whenever I
So ask Mr. Alric.
No, but this is the main initiative on the Kingston.
Yeah.
So he started a program called Cleaner Kingston.
Oh, Cleaner Kingston.
We're going to parade, we wash 10 million pounds back, around 10 million back 3 times a week.
That
so
is
plant up the church and
love that.
Cleaner Kingston.
Yeah, that is beautiful.
And he's going to get the energy. Oh, because if you say a clean up, you have to do it to clean up in here. You have to clean up. What we got now? Tell me what we got now. Then look, you make it sound like what you get them a complaint?
Yeah, I see my boy they only stall I'm there. Yeah, even with the light situation, the other day we there and the light just cut out. You know want to fix that, sort out that. One walk by.
Like, sometimes one Jamaica walk by. Never tell a lie.
Yeah.
Never subscribe, yeah? Remember, that is understand.
That is it, massive.
One Joseph, you see what I said? We love walk, people them not set, people them not ball, you understand?
Yeah.
We need to clean up.
We need to clean up. Ma.
Alright people, so right now this is the crucial part, the marking back of the road, putting out the lines where the furthest point where the stallion can come out to the road. And after the road after can fit a police service vehicle in the middle and can drive through anytime they want. That's the main point right now. You have to be able to drive through anytime. A day or in time of night. Go right down. Okay.
walks, why? Everything is great, but I'm tired. I'm being honest.
I eat too much food. I eat too much of the food, man. Nigga right, is a catch all the back.
But differently.
Wait for hear the announcement, you know, man.
What? You can't hear the announcement. You said we got by a break.
How much daytime? 18 days, eh?
Trust and believe, bro.
You mean have trust and believe, yeah?
I'm take that.
You know, so I sent me a minute. Oh, yeah, I forgot to say.
Father and son, I'm not telling a lie. From the start, Jamaica Walk By, you know, bro. I went to go on vacation, you know.
Yeah.
Still a bit. Yeah. Not taking a break.
Still a bit. Yeah. Which vacation? You don't go on a vacation. Can you still go when you go film?
Then I'm telling me, say, we go on vacation and still no vacation.
My boy called me this man and me just up what you do, ever bless you. Yo, you need to.
So, we're there, man. Swear. So massive. Aye. So it's a beautiful look. We now go around. So aye. Down at town. Aye. So remember, tell the people them to subscribe to your channel.
People. Big up. Grace Walk Black TV. People, please like, share, and subscribe. Some good content, clean content, godly content too. You know, show off my beautiful country. You know, show off places that we do look at charity. You know, give back, help back Jamaica, and show off my beautiful country. So like, share, and subscribe to Grace Walk Black TV. Thank you for support.
My father and son.
Yeah, man,
father and son lifestyle.
Give God thanks and give God thanks for life. Alright? Big up all the viewers and subscribers right now. You understand? So you don't know father and son lifestyle, go over there, like, subscribe and share. We have all different type of content because a lifestyle moment in here, you know. So you don't know. Peace, love and unity.
Every time.
Here, one Jamaica Walk By. Big up yourself, bro.
As Joseph would say, never tell a lie. I know my next brother too. Yo, Noel.
Yo, what's
we're there from morning.
We're there from morning, from early when the sun rises out here. Yes. Out here, get everything from start to finish. You don't know how you Noel there. We're there on the ground. Today my first day of filming in downtown Kingston and it's going good so far. Yeah, so anybody up on the live now, food up on the live now, make sure you like the video and drop a comment. Yeah. Comment for something. If you see the color of the light post, just comment for that.
Yes, say something.
Say something. Yeah. And then the full video got drop. So if you don't stay up on the live, the full video got drop. You can tune in and see it.
I watch it in a 4K.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Figure that.
Figure that?
Would have been on the camera now.
Yeah. Oh, I mean, so yeah, man, I like get video tweeted there. The worst thing to me outside of him, I get video tweeted. Yes, sir. Big up. Oh, you say wife birthday, come side of me, come say that, man. Yeah, man. You say wife birthday today.
Yeah, man. Big up wife, you know. Blessed earth strong to her. You don't know. Love and love alone, baby. You understand? One Tommy. Bless yourself, baby.
So Tommy, big up yourself and heart of love and respect. You hear this on Jamaica Walk By. I wish you many more. You understand? Make it all we grow old. You understand? Heart of love. I'm actually currently downtown if you just join me there, my brother them. It's all about cleaning up Beckford Street and remarking the road. Someone asked, yes, there has been prior notice for a few weeks now. Because even me didn't forget about this until Noel sent back a message to me. I said, bro, remember that tomorrow I turned it up. And I said, oh, Jaja. So, prior notice, so what the notice said was that they're going to clean the street, clean all of the drain, then take up the garbage, debris, move the stall and remark the road, right? So that they can get back the designated spot. So that is what is been happening today in downtown Kingston, Beckford Street. See our TVJ, you understand? But yeah, so blessings and respect to everybody we are joining. And so far it's going good. They might move fast and I just Beckford Street they might do today. So far they're soon done. You understand? But it's going to be a next issue now that us as them, the vendors, they might complain to boy, them spot are going to cut short. You understand? And also there's another saying that they don't want a more board up, built up tent. Them want tent. No more board one, they want tent. Something we can
mobile
easily
tent.
move. Eh?
Mobile tent.
Mobile tent. Something we can easily move in case of anything. and they say the police them a complain, say them can't get to pass through. So even though they stall them out on both sides, they must say, the police must say they want ample space in case of anything, them can pass right through. Also there's a person that said there was an incident down there where somebody get injured the other day and they couldn't find access to go assess. They couldn't get access to go assess the situation and also help the person. You see me I say? So a whole heap of thing behind it. But we have to just come together and do the right thing. You understand? We always go down, we show the good, the bad, the in between, everything we have to show. Jamaica Walk By. So we don't know where we go, we're there for the people. You understand? We say now, everything good.
Yeah man.
We are doing. So yeah man, massive. So I saw you go. And as we take a look at time and go through. Want to see how far them reach now?
Yeah, go on.
Yeah. Massive, what go see?
I'm on the road, but you just wait start there. Hey, the A family assure, big up on yourself, you know. Mona and Dada bless up on yourself. You hear that?
General affair, big up yourself, my friend.
Yeah. Janela, my girl, man. Big up yourself, man. So, there from there, massive. Big up to my wife too, you don't know. Lexe, sexy Lexe. Jamaica Intent, definitely. Jamaica Intent is one I channel them on have to really check out. If you want to know. Good morning, mommy. This is Jamaica Walk By. And we have a lot of other media houses and things here too. As well. You understand? Yeah, I agree about that.
It's a good job, but what hurt the most is how they make poor people mash up them things.
Yeah,
and we can't not go to nobody without one or the other go say, give me.
Yeah.
You understand it? So we have to start right from.
What do you think about the new thing where they implement? Say the mobile tent them. Say we have to go get back a mobile tent them. What do you think about that? And one of the business owners say the mobile tent them when it comes down to a breeze blow a lift you up send it gone out on a Duke Street.
Let me tell you where we come from, my son.
Yeah, talk to me.
Some of us irritable and mad, son. But there, from your 16 year old, I bounce around. Remember, say one time I used to go there and go up like they are Africa, you know. Rain come wet way, sun come burn up there with things, am I right? And we say, alright, come off of the ground and build a little style, son.
Yeah.
Then the night sun see him way. We get the idea of fling piece of rock across the road and we put up chop on just to make the sun and the rain. Work it up, them say, we can't do it again, we not fight them. You get me? They alright, that gun them take away the rope and the things them. Then them say no, alright then. When you come with tent, one somebody buy a 1 tent for 5 times because when the breeze blow it tear up and it get weak. So we get some board now and re-instruct the foot them.
Yeah.
Put on some look of plastic something over the top. You get me?
Yeah.
It's still a rock. We say to look this whole thing kind of firm. And as the security them give you a line for mark, sometimes some people go over the line, not we. But just as we reach a point to say, Lord God, we can sit down, you know, and sell and make a money because we have partners, some people borrow loan, some don't borrow. And we have 50% gas food. Just as we position myself and say, Lord, around 2 weeks now I fix my starter, no?
Yeah.
Here come now, he said. Yeah,
to fix it.
Yeah. Here come.
Georgia no.
He said, you have to go move, because if you don't move then, everything truck there come and lick down everything. Right? Me have high blood pressure, you know.
Yeah. Why me have a G down there so when film start build for a moment, I feel lick it down too.
Can I say my youth, me I say alright, them go clean the thing, but we are here say, we can't come back out there, so you know say, we are afraid to put the style and everything, so some people just get frustrated, mash from them own things. We have to have money right now for fix.
To build them back. Even them forget to tend them not cheap, you know?
Yeah.
And from 30 to 45,000 for one.
People tell the people them buy the take not working.
Yeah.
Mash up. So I just got frustrated when I'm washing. Because when I go wash, we just say, well, them can't just wash underneath the style them or what's it.
Yeah.
Them say everything has to move and mash up now, we have to go start back from scratch.
Build them back over, you know. And somebody a complain also say, them a go cut the line shorter, them a say line no cut shorter. People pushing in more.
That line there, them they give you a line and then cover it, so hopefully them go back at the first line and then give you the line and then give you the sun, not that one. You get the car, we have to look for food.
Yeah, true.
You're
right, man. My mother, a market, my mother selling I know, so I know. Me used to sell a market for years too.
We are work by the rules.
So when people see me down here rock with the people, them is a thing in my blood. You understand?
Yeah.
A market me sell and go to school and thing too.
And as when I say I know what you doing.
My mother real hustler. I know my mother there market. I must see them go to church.
Everybody just get mad and mash up them thing. You understand me?
Yeah. So big up and thanks to talk to me, man. Heart of love, man. Yeah, man. Oh, you to father and son? And that me and say, I'll be a street youth.
Man, Princess Street.
Yeah, my grandmother and grandfather used to sell on the same from Princess Street too.
Yeah, man, used to sell from Princess Street.
What about town my mother sells?
Because I sell belt, right? Right a big tree.
I sell belt. Yeah, man. Me used to sell in the market too, man. Walk and walk and sell, man.
Long time within the street.
Walk and sell. Tomato, onion, garlic, all of them sitting there also walk and sell, bro. I know my mother still selling in the market, brother. Yeah, my mother worked that. Yeah, you can't tell my mother about. Yeah,
she love it.
No, my mother love it differently because all our friends and family are market and there.
Market. Yeah, man.
Eh?
Hey, Mr. One day I come out and I sell it now. Who did it? I even sell it now. You see, look after that way. Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, so don't I used to go on.
Every man I run towards way.
Remember back in the days. Yeah, man, remember back in the day when I saw you used to go on. You see me? Go through. Me like how you look. Me like how you look. What? And then the marking afterwards. Shut big up yourself anywhere there in the world. Shut big up yourself every time. You see me? I'm a brother that. Yo, Noel, me say, you see after like streaming for them couple days, bro, I have to say, big up to Aisha Speed.
Oh gosh,
yeah,
man,
oh Jesus Christ.
Different level for real.
Yeah, big up to Aisha Speed every single time, brother.
We're not talking about different level of the crowd. We're talking about different level in terms of endurance.
Yeah, we're not talking about the crowd and the follow. We're talking about the endurance. Yeah, brother.
And the dedication.
But man, if you get the votes, them what they are out in the street or streams, and them think they are trying to get vote.
Like they rough.
I'm tired. I can't hardly go, even though I'm out here. You can't hardly go. Father and son, you go right down to the end?
Yeah, man, we want to see all that street, man.
Yeah, I see how far them reach to the clean up. Bro, I'm tired. For a couple of days, when we did it for a couple of hours. No one day drop down. Him they have to drop down, brother. This is not easy, brother. No, sir.
And I'm do it every day.
And I'm do it every day. All away. Me blouse and skirt.
Then someone have a drink in that.
All away.
You want to put
something? Mommy say, all I want to give me $100.
Yes, you know I want black and what?
Yeah, take it easy, man. So big up to everybody we are watch, same way. Big up to the chat, you understand? Heart of love and respect. Good day, now open and enjoy the video. You see the man they sit down over there, so can I go sit down and go and chat with them too. Oh, kid, Godfather, what kind of cross is this and how the glass go broke? Oh yeah. Eh?
You look to feel it internal.
Yeah, but I look to feel weary down.
Yeah.
Like your energy just a drop, like a battery. Like it just a leak out.
Yeah. We active same way. As we are burning it, we are generating it. I will just eat food.
Yeah, same so. Somebody say KSAC should buy the abandoned buildings and lease the spot them to vendors.
So I don't own it, but the building then I go to bigger companies. We can actually do a big
production and maintain. Watch your back now. Because majority of them buildings are empty now, bro. Right on two sides, they probably have some wholesale dip on them still. You see me? Yeah, how about Joseph then now? Yeah, go over there. Eh? Sure. So yeah.
Like I said, I'm a general.
Yeah, I was scared. That's how I got one. Oh. I must have done at all.
Money have been a push up.
Yeah. Something for you to hear. Now make sure I give you something here.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Screw this to me, then.
I see you last night. You don't come and karaoke. Oh, catch you, man. We don't see you. 3 nights. Yeah. You're a boss.
Hey, me say, if you go some two rooms a while ago, say, man. Me say, bad like a town. I'm still man, Noel! Excuse, right? What am I doing? I'm do the marking now. I'm big up to all everybody we drop to donation in the live. Yeah. Art I love seeing me. So them get to the marking now. Father! So the part enough people want to see is the marking. Them are try to organize to do the marking part of it. And good. So them are looking to do the marking part of it. So they want to start marking up by top there, sir. Right, see me? Top on top. Yeah. Right between. Guys, right between. Orange Street.
between Orange Street and Beckford Street, when I start from all the way down, you know? I'm going to mark out all of the spots for all the vendors. I don't know if all the vendors are going to get back a spot in the fast. But they are doing, you know. No one cannot go back in the street.
The street, yes.
Yeah man, they're going to get a piece of the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Piece of the road.
Piece of the road. True,
so,
see how we
are the downtown full of vendors.
Yes, sir.
One thing, you know, we don't want to look at something going on.
We don't want no problem. Yeah.
Yeah, that's say for 2 months.
You come like you want to wash it.
Real dark, you know.
Yes, brother. So see the marking start.
Water point to die with the cup.
Brother, everything. We tired everything in a one, brother. We tired everything in a one, my teacher. Yeah. On our brother. On our brother. I don't have to relate it to blows and spray. If you don't relate it to the wrong man, I'll question on the parents, yeah? Remember me tell you though. Look on the skin tone, look on the ear texture, I don't see it. See how my boys laugh at me say that. You see that when I part too close, you have to go tap, then I'll sit over. That's why I don't relate to the joke. For a long time. My big friend. Ball. I wish my one play. Ball. Watch out. What play?
Manu and Liverpool. Manu and Liverpool. I think.
Who are your side? Manu.
Manchester United.
Straight. So, massive with the down at town, and we are sure exactly what go on down at town when it comes on to the cleanup process and everything. Big up to everybody we're actually watching from overseas. Anyway, you're there watch in our world, blessings and respect, you understand? Yeah man. Big up to everybody we're there from morning, from we start. You get me? I watch where I go on. Colder than to clean up Jamaica was the slogan from the 80s. Enough respect me people. Willie, they got a machine that does that kind of work. Yeah, but we are the machine then I know. I guess us Jamaicans, we don't have it. Yeah, we kind of be behind with a lot of things, you know. CD one and the one say, me a watch man, you and Liverpool right now. Man, you and Liverpool right now, you watch it too. Yeah, but a well man right across the world will do that. The Hey family, yes, walk by. We are watching you from Canada. Yeah man, big up to all of the massive from Canada. Blessings and respect in all aspects, you see me? Yeah man, we're there do it. As you see what I go on, same speed, you see me? This is going to be a lot of work today, but then I'm going to get it done. Also, Claudette Jones, New York is in the house. Blessings to all workers. That is it for real. 100% agree. Smith, how the phone angle looks up. I actually do it on this version because I'm not going to drop the full video on the platform today, so you can definitely see that, you see me? Yeah, you can get to watch it on your TV in a 4K quality and thing. I actually just I'm going to see preview version, you see me I say? Thank you so much, Smith 4330. Blessings and respect, you understand? Whole heap of work are going to the downtown Beckford Street. Big up to all of you them who work same speed. passport life. You understand? They say Aries, Ocherius and Negril is the spot. Yeah, I love Negril too. Ochi not so much, but down there alright. Me's a Kingston man. Me love Kingston generally. When it comes down to the vibe and the people and the energy, it is definitely Kingston for me. You see me? You see this walk by and run things internationally. Me? One day, my brother. I should have me down here at tour speed. If I'm down here at tour speed now, then I could I say, Ray. Oh, thank you so much again, Blinkview TV, Art of Love and Respect. Thank you for the donation. Sometimes I have to wonder if you don't figure out I can donate. If you can't donate, do it, man. For all platforms. And if you can donate, man. Andy, big up yourself, no joke, no doubt. Clarky, big up, you understand, no joke. Andrea, blessings and respect, you see me? Yeah. All platform. Brit, big up and respect, same speed, you see me? I say, Top Star, Blackie, big up and respect, everybody in I chat them, you see me? I say, respect our manners, man, we are doing. Big up to everybody who actually donating towards the work, you see me? I want to say thank you. Our manners. You see me, we're there down at town and show what I go on. Because Jamaica one nice country, you know. And we have some really nice people. We just want the people them to just start behave themselves, man. I told them not behave. So if you don't want to big up right now or make me know something there, you can just comment in our chat right now, come here and see what I go on. You understand? Rika, Art of Love and Respect. You understand? Odian, big up same speed, right back at you. You don't know Mr. Marshall. One Jamaica Walk By, down at town. Big up my boss every time. You see me? Blinkview TV, you're doing a great job, bro. I appreciate it, man. We are going to do it. Somebody have to show it. Somebody have to there for people them to wanna show up on our side. We're not just show the bad thing. We are showing the work actually being done to Jamaica too. We still have people out here where actually do something. So when people are talking about, yo, the place dirty, the place cranny. Alright, now me are showing it to get clean up. So make me soon roll out to the same energy. Want to see same energy like when I say place dirty and all them things. Give me same energy enough to say, yeah man, love how the place are clean up and sit. Yeah. Yeah man. But yo, what people can understand, say, bro, all we yard. Sometimes you mop and sweep and clean, you know, every day. But you see there when you go to a movie, just a movie setting, you wonder if you did that clean. You understand? Yo, some of we now be picking in my yard with the moms in and then I say, I want to do a yard from morning I do. Until one day she left with a yard with the two of them. I said she have to go up on the road. Dead we are dead. Struggle. Yeah man. So I see him take man. We're going a whole heap of context. Miss Cadine, Sterling, Art of Love. What Gina? I say Jason and Gina. We're not there. Big up to Jason and Gina. So Jason and Gina there in our place. Big up to my brother and sister them straight. Yeah, I mean, I can get Noel, burn off man. Burn up man. Noel over there sitting down. Eh? Noel are resting foot. Well, it's one, you can hold it 1 second for me show something. So show now what it look like. See what it look like there. And it'll go straight down. See that? It'll go straight down. So on this side here, so then get Peace-Side Road. So on this side here, go right back to the wall and then business place. And over on this side, over on this side here, going straight down is from there so to right back to the wall. Then get. So the officers them say they want clear space if you can drive through any emergency vehicle or any patrol car, respond vehicle, anything can pass through the middle here. That's what they want. And them I hope that the pray for them to build back no permanent stall and them thing there, because they want just in case of anything, they can move like this easily and clean down the street again and sanitize. That's what them I ask for. You get me? What to take on that? Because by right, it look like the line did call gone in more and get a little bit more space. In father and son, it look like they get a little bit more space, get a little bit more room. So then give them a little bit more out. Yeah. Then get a little more space. Then give them a little bit more space. You see me I say? Rockstone, I read I got turn on now. You gas it up. You play a tune? Oh. Yeah man, so majority of these people out here up on the sidewalk, they are making sure that they can get back their spot as the line mark, because then say as soon as the line mark and dry, they can start put out back them things then. You see me? So yeah, it is like that. So which part me did there now? I'm gonna go back in the chat. From Miss Cadine Sterling. Basham, big up our respect man. They say every country has good and bad. Some places in America are not so clean or nice. You hear that? Well said, that's true. You understand? That's true. Roxanne, let me see Jamaica Walk By. Who won the competition? Do you know? No. And we're not gonna know like that either. You understand? Honestly. And to be honest with you, and this is gonna sound weird, but even if I find out, I am not allowed to share it. I would have to go and represent Jamaica, and when the show drop on TV, that's when everybody is going to see what actually took place and the whole procedure. So I am not allowed to even share it, but right now, to be honest, we don't know what's what as yet. Alright? Yeah. So big up to everybody who voted for me. I super appreciate it, you understand? But it's a waiting game now. So even if I'm not the one who got selected, I'm still not allowed to even say anything about it until the show release. Alright? So I hope me make it clear to everybody who probably wanted to find out. You see me? Yeah man. So in the chat scene where big up Jason and Gina. Massive to all who don't know who Jason and Gina is. They are my fellow YouTuber family over there in Brooklyn, New York. Them do vlog content, travel content, all kinds of content. So you can definitely subscribe to their page. You understand? You can just click on them name, or somebody can drop them link for me please. And somebody drop Jason and Gina link for me please, so they can see them channel and give them a subscribe. And the A family, let me say, Walk By, you should link up link up Aisha Speed when he comes to Jamaica. I will definitely try. But God knows, it's gonna be hard because there's so much persons who want to link up with him, so I don't know how it's gonna go. And maybe he not even know me, so I don't know yet. Booga, big up every time, CM Speed, you see me? Mr. Williams, let me say, tell the vendors to dispose of their waste better. Yeah, I do agree with that as well. Basham, I'm still sending you positive energy for your victory to the game and overall. Yeah man, blessings and respect. That more. You see me? Yeah man. So we're there. Why Noel? Watch Noel over there, so Noel tired. Cause Noel in there niggle the whole day yesterday at work. Father and son tired too. And now we'll drive coming back from Negril last night. I still wake up early in the morning. You get me? Yeah, massive. But me just go on street. Me soon bust a sit down too. And think as them line the place. Scoring. Yeah, man. You mean when he go swim in the water? Yeah. Good over there. Joseph, come here. Joseph, come here. Yeah, people come in, say they have, come on, sir. Say they find somebody unalive from a water pump. Right now. What you say? Right now.
In the John.
Me don't know, you know. If a John or a crime scene. Me not go, you know me not video them something. Yeah, me not video them, me not video that part them. You see me? So, me not sure about that. Can't tell them, man. No joke, no dog. Oh, fresh board and everything you have to go get.
They say start over back line.
Oh boy. Yeah, you know about that. So I'm crime scene on the waterfront right now. Yeah. So they find if somebody unalive or so. I say one of the sound in a year, nothing about it either. No, and I say,
no, it can't happen now, in a year.
Now in a year. Yeah. Eh?
Jamaica Walk By, I tell you. We don't know about that.
Don't know about that either. I'm not really sure, okay, man. So me not show them something still. Me, I great this our country me did and the positive part. Me don't want somebody I know when I'm moaning and balling, you know. What is that? Okay.
Loving. Eh? Look at them living. Go them live loving, eh?
It's the whole of Jamaica there, yeah.
Well, nice, eh?
Yes, man. Hey, son, I'm moving and I'm going to go over some more, man.
Eh?
Oh, my word, that is him.
Eh? Ah, foot
fling over foot.
Eh?
Oh, God. That's a cold man. A woman and man then.
That's a cold.
Yeah. What love got to do with it? Sensible people. Big up yourself, my friend. Yeah. Boy, out up on the sun they do, boy. Oh, still have to go on. Set speed. A trouble. Cheese and peace. So go away, go Wiley. And that my mother do sometimes when he reach over, I tell me what money mash up. I say, Lord God, you're not top. You say, they top and go do what? Eh? Cheese and peace. Boy, Akim. Rough, big one. Yeah, true. See, I help too. And right over here, inside, you want to make sure say, it's sort out. You know, if you go through all that problem. Yeah, man. So massive hit. Right there. Beckford Street, clean up. 1 So yeah, massive, you don't know, so as you can see, the road finish mark, this is what it looks like. Where say you put out here now?
Yeah, man,
you ready for put out?
Yeah, man, early morning, man, active, man.
I don't know, see how some
again.
see how them G are up and ready, you know, you know what I mean? No time wasted. Tomorrow business day, no, man, so you have to ready up. Yeah. Hands on fire. Oh yeah, man. So you say behind the line, sir?
Right behind the line.
Right behind the line.
Follow the orders.
Alright, let's see our word, man. So as you can see, all the massive them, they start put out back same time. You understand? Place wash off, clean up. Wash off, clean up, looking all beautiful, looking all clean. And then that is it. Some of the vendors them wasting no time. Make sure them are put up same time, which is great. As you can see the line on both sides where you don't know everybody supposed to be on that side, so just leave this part empty. You understand? Beckford Street. SYM boss, you start put out today or tomorrow?
Today we start put out, man.
Today? I mean this is today, you know what I mean? Big up and respect every time, my brother. You understand? Cheese and peace. Yeah. Right at your ends, if you can find back his spot.
Yeah, so the people them know right that's over there. There's a big tree, you understand? Some of us want to know from now. Right, so there's a big tree over there. So if you see me, you don't know say have to see me. I watch you again to people. We love for the road, look. We love for them wash down the island powder. Although we know say tomorrow morning, bright and early, they might come back with pure island powder again. But they wash down the island powder for now. So tomorrow when they put out them big stall and everything, they might come back with the island powder and them thing. But we love how the place look. Place paint up on them little thing, they understand. Yes, I'm very excited about that. Yes.
Nice. That's it, man.
What the place look.
We say ready for set up back in the night and ready for business tomorrow.
Ready for the business right now. Right now. All the place looks so I still make money.
That is it, my boss. Must they never stop. So here massive, there it is. Place washed down, people them ready for start set out back again. So all the people them always I say place them just dirty and now get take care of. Alright, see it there? The initiative start. Beckford Street clean up and everybody watch it. See it? Start come out from everywhere. Everybody help them one another. I get the things them done. Them ask everybody to stay behind the line and keep the road empty. Where the back come from? Already. And this is it. You see me I say? We have Grace Walks vlog there from morning. Brother. Yo, Noel.
Yo.
Was a good day, what you say?
Yeah, man, it go on good so far. Watch out.
Yeah, man, them come from everywhere, bro. Bring them back, bring them back. Bring them back. Bro, you can't stay there. Hi, how are you doing? I'm alright, blessed love.
On TV?
Yeah man, heart of love and respect man. You come from church?
No.
What church you from? Hospital. Alright, take it easy here. Thanks for watching here.
Yes, man.
Big up and respect. Yo, Noel. Yeah man. Yeah. So we're there. Father and son. I eat that for me, you know.
Yeah, man,
great day, massive. I ask you if you subscribe to Father and Son channel.
Father and Son lifestyle out here, do it, you know?
Father and Son lifestyle. You don't know. My brother, yo, Noel.
Yeah.
I eat, man.
Yeah.
Grace Walks.
Yes, up yourself.
It was a good day for showing people them exactly what I go on. It's me I say.
Thank you for the knowledge and the wisdom you share.
So yeah, I say, man, humble does it, man. Clean-hearted people can't lose. You understand? Yeah. So as you can see, everybody outside and get back the thing ready. And order massive. I'm mad something, man. No joke, no doubt.